Yes.
With the ship, my lord. With the consent from the other side, I beg to mention item number 7, my lord.
7.
Here, the conducting counsel, Lee Gugoi, is out of station. I brave the adjournment for a day.
On the ground of Mr. D. Gogoi, conducting counsel is out of station for my MSO and learned counsel appearing on the press for adjournment of on his behalf, adjournment of the matter to 3 weeks.
Okay.
Just after 3 weeks. May it please your lordship. May it please your lordship. Item number
Phrase,
May it please your lordship. Item number 69. This is a read petition against the SBI Life Insurance
69.
69.
Ah,
SBI Life Insurance.
hmm,
But here in this case, life insurance has gone to Supreme Court
hmm.
for maintainability of the writ petition.
Still pending.
Still pending and there is a stay order. So, my lord, let this come after this one. Last order I found in Supreme Court was 610.
On the prayer of Mr. P.K. Roy Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner. Let this matter be listed after disposal. We'll say disposal.
My lord,
We'll say disposal of the Supreme. With what is
till the disposal of the Supreme Court.
list this matter after the disposal of the. What is the case number?
My lord, the records I have given in the file, it is there.
Yes, give that. Check.
The numbers are there in the file.
Which pertains to the issue as to whether what is that life is
SBI Life Insurance.
SBI life insurance would be
Is it, writ petition is maintainable or not against the life?
considering on the issue of the maintenance of writ petition in view of the against the respondent, No, we'll say what is it? List after disposal of the
Asana?
so and so case,
Last order
as
is
the issue as regards as regard the
maintainability
maintainability
of the writ petition.
of the writ petition against the SBI life insurance is subsidized before the is subsidized, correct. No, as regards the maintainability of the writ petition against the SBI life insurance,
May I please your lordship, with the consent of other side, I beg to mention item number 38. In this case, respondent have filed their affidavit in opposition. We need some time to file our reply.
38. Yes.
Lordship, I am for the respondents.
On the prayer, Mr. So-and-so, then counsel for the petitioner. 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit. Mr. So-and-so is present, For the respondent. This after 3 weeks.
Wait, please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5 and 6, lordship. Senior advocate Mr. H.R. Chaudhary, he has some personal difficulties, so matter may be adjourned only for the day.
Why?
Lordship, he has some personal difficulties today, lordship.
On the ground that Mr. H.R.A. said Chaudhary has some personal difficulty today. MS so-and-so, Maxim mentioned on the behalf for adjournment of the matter. This after 4 weeks,
Yes, lordship. Okay, your lordship. Lordship, with the consent from the other side, I beg to mention item number 18, lordship.
18.
Yes.
1-8.
1-8.
On the prayer of so-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner.
Petitioner.
This matter after 2 weeks. 3 weeks. 3 weeks.
Wait, please, your lordship. Lordship, I pray for some accommodation. Item number 55. Maybe take it as a first item.
Huh?
Ship my, as first item orders, my infant is 2 months and she's exclusively dependent on breastfeed, so,
55?
yes.
What do you want?
Maybe take it first item, you know.
Why?
But
This-
my infant is of 2 months and she could not, I could not wait here for the whole day.
It's for, listed for orders.
Yes, your lordship.
What is to be done?
Lordship, matter may be fixed for admission. We have taken steps as per.
Whether notice has been received or not. Notice is served or not.
What is-
Last occasion, there is no representation. What is this?
Acknowledgement receipt, Your Honor. We have taken steps upon the private response.
No, you have not furnished the address also. Have you furnished the address?
We have taken the, and the person concerned has received the notice, Your Lordship.
So how do you know? Where is the proof of receipt by the respondents? This is the acknowledgement by the registry.
Yes, sir. That is the, we have taken postal Talabana address. Receipt is
See,
there.
Last occasion, the address was not correct, therefore you are supposed to furnish the correct address of respondent number 7.
But we
You have not furnished,
not with the registry, Your Honor.
huh?
We have taken steps directly according, so.
No, if the address is not correct in the, I mean, in the petition, how you,
I will take necessary steps, Your Lordship. According.
although MS so learned counsel for the petition submits that she has taken steps for service of notice upon, taken steps for issuance of notice upon respondent number 7, comma. Considering the office note dated 25/11/2025, which reflects that the instruction regarding the correct address of the respondent has not been provided by the land council for the petitioner. Comma, she is granted further 2 weeks time to take appropriate steps. This after 4 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 52, Your Lordship.
53,
52, Your Lordship.
huh?
This matter may be adjourned for a day, Your Lordship. The learned counsel for the petitioner is out of station, so
On the prayer of Mr.
Mr. D. Upreti.
Learned counsel for the petitioner, release this matter after 4 weeks.
Let me tell you.
Yes.
Well, can it be posted on next week? In the meantime, I'd like to file one additional affidavit in the matter, my lord.
Why?
My lord, the state referred and review petition on the order passed on 30th October 2025.
Otherwise, it is a disposed matter.
Yes, this one.
The issue is what? What is very, very limited?
Yes, my lord, regarding my lord, with a very limited prayer, I approached before this court and this honorable court on 28th October 2021 disposed of this matter in my favor, my lord. So far as my entitlement of province under 2011 Act, my lord. And
Who are you? You are the writ petitioner.
I'm the writ petitioner, my lord.
Who has filed a review?
Director, my lord.
Huh?
Director of secondary.
Yes, who is appearing for?
Then your director of secondary, my lord, referred review on 30th October 2000. This is the order, my lord, passed by this review court. This is the order.
It's here only.
Yes. So, my lord.
See,
review
review
court
was
has-
allowed only on the limited purpose.
They have challenged two grounds, my lord. So far as my provincialism, whether I am entitled provincialism or not, as per the DLC requirement. Another is whether the benefit entitled under 2011
Just
Act.
wait.
And ultimately, my lord, the review court has, so far as my recommendation by the DLC is concerned, is appreciated in my favor. And so far, my entitlement provincial benefit under 2011 Act, it is interfered. So, my lord, I need to file one additional affidavit. Can it post in next week, next Monday, my lord? In the meantime, I'll file additional affidavit.
Yes, who is for the respondents? Who has filed the review?
Director of Secondary Education.
Second, who is the secondary education?
D. Kushik, he appeared in the review court.
Have you brought on record the similar matter passed by this court granting relief, which was taken to Honorable
2011, yes, my lord,
Supreme
yes.
Court? Where it is?
I thought that is, we have relied on a review petition, my lord. We will annex all this order in my additional affidavit, my lord. So next Monday, my lord, can it be?
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he may be granted sometime to file additional affidavit, bringing in record the relevant documents, including the order passed by this court. Similar order passed by this court, which has been upheld by the Honorable Supreme Court. Huh? Considering above, let this matter be listed after
Next week, can it
4
be,
weeks.
can it be before, my lord?
3
In
weeks.
the this development.
So as to enable him to file additional affidavit. Is free for.
My lord, 10 days may be granted because the process, payment process is on. My lord.
Hmm?
It is under process, my lord.
Another process? Under process.
Yes.
You are for, who is for finance?
I am for finance, madam. I have
What is this FOC? FOC? FOC,
Fixation of ceiling, my lord.
that is
fixation of ceiling. Ah.
Lordship, may be pleased to peruse the instructions that I have received, my lord. For a moment, my lord. Mr. Didibo.
For the petitioner.
You want BRS,
Lordship.
which has been accepted.
Listeners, my lord. Erstwhile employees of Assam Plantation Crops Development Corporation Limited. IT is under the administrative control of my lord, the Soil Conservation Department. They received my lord granted aid. Now, so far as my lord, the current year is concerned, Lordship will kindly peruse the instruction at the second paragraph, my lord. There is already a budget provision which has been earmarked, my lord.
No, last occasion on 12/11,
Yes.
Yes.
they said the Soil Conservation Department has said that FOC has already been, is under process, which shall be submitted within 15 days.
That FOC has not yet been submitted.
Yes.
It is under process, my lord. It's to be
What
submitted.
under process? Last time you said it will be submitted
No,
within
no, my
15
lord, the
days.
additional amount was sanctioned in the recent winter assembly, budget assembly.
Are you sure? Do you
Yes,
have
my lord,
this?
this is the instruction,
Huh?
my lord. Here it is written.
Which one?
Here.
It's your instruction.
Yes.
Very recently.
Yes, my lord, it is 29 November.
No, last time you said FOC proposal shall be is under process and submitted within 15 days. That you have not done.
My lord, the recalculation was done. That is why a new proposal has to be sent.
Then heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. On 12/11/2025, the learned counsel for the Soil Conservation Department had submitted that the FOC proposal is under process and would be submitted submitted to the Finance Department within a period of 15 days within a period of 15 days, huh? Mr. However, today, Mr. So-and-so learned counsel appearing for Soil Conservation Department submits by placing the communication dated 29/11/2025 from the Secretary to the Government of Assam, Soil Conservation Department, submits that due to shortfall of budget, the department had to submit a supplementary demand to the Finance Department for payment of dues and payment of dues to the petitioners, and accordingly, part of the demand has been approved recently by the Legislative Assembly, has been approved by the which has been approved by the Legislative Assembly. No. Which has been approved, huh? And therefore, the department will be submitting FOC proposal of the approved amount to the Finance Department once proposal is at Finance Department, which may take some time. Mr. How many days?
15 days, madam.
10 days is too late, Lordship. Mr. Huh? Therefore, he submits that another 15 days time may be granted to complete the process next para. It's okay. Yours to know. You have no problem, Mr. Vaspurjari. He is saying that he is yet to submit. So we'll just keep it this. Huh?
No, he has to submit, but the FOC ceiling will be available only for a limited period. So if they might not delay the matter, then it will get might not lapse.
No, it's up to them. We'll catch all of them if they don't do.
We are open. We are open.
Mr. Arbor Pujari, Learned Council, Learned State Standing Council, Finance and Tax, Finance Department. Submits that the department is yet to, Finance Department is yet to, has not received any FOC proposal as on today. As and when it is received, same will be
Same will be considered. my
Shall
lord,
be
as
con-
per the
shall be
presented
considered.
procedure.
with a question that, with a caution that if it is delayed, it may not be, the
The
Propo-
proposal may get lapsed.
proposal may get lapse. Considering above, the learned council, the Department of Finance, the Soil Conservation Department is granted another 15 days to submit, to another 15 days as prayed for. List the matter after
A date may can be fixed also.
after 3 weeks. 3 weeks.
Date may, particular date, otherwise, again, I have to make mention before you lost it.
They are working for you, just wait.
My lord,
15 days would not be able.
my lord, my instructions may be kept as a part of the record.
No, both the so and so, huh?
And so applies.
Careful, not guess. A and B, huh? Document A and B. Yes.
The Lordship kindly pays order dated 31/10/2025, my lord. Already, my lord. This was directed to file affidavit.
Yes, finance. 3 weeks time was granted.
This, my lord, we are awaiting the instructions, my lord.
So,
Otherwise, my lord, earlier, so far as earlier, salary is concerned, my lord, it is within the domain of the administrative department concerned. But nonetheless, my lord,
there is observation of this court. They said the issue on the return and finance is necessary.
yes, my lord, we have already written a communication to the department, my lord.
Okay, heard
We are
Mr.
awaiting, my lord.
I will have to grant,
My lord.
there is an observation. Heard Mr. P.J. Shekhi, learned counsel for the petitioner. Next matter, on the prayer of Mr. Arbor Puja, learned standing counsel, finance department. Further, 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit in notice or opposition.
Obliged, Lord.
I am obliged, my lord.
May I please? My lord, the petitioner 12 in number, my lord, they are agreed, my lord, because my lord, they are my lord, old teacher, joined my lord in the service, my lord, prior to 22/10/2014, and that time, at the time, my lord, they, my lord, already acquired, my lord, B.Ed degree. But those, my lord, teacher who acquired B.Ed degree, my lord, additional increment was paid. These petitioner not paid, my lord, submitted.
One increment.
And
What?
my lord, this is covered by several judgment of this honorable court, my lord. My lord, only to verify if, my lord, the prisoner are entitled, then to pay the additional.
Lordship, regarding this, the division bench has already settled the matter, your lordship. Lordship is see in the last line, your lordship. We were initially of the view, your lordship.
Initially of the view that the issues in this case did not require any reference to bench of higher stand, but nonetheless, considering the stand of the state, we sought information as to how many persons are left to pay the additional increment who had acquired the additional qualification. Numbers of such teachers, out of which only some are entitled. Yes.
My lord, my case is covered, my lord, the judgment, my lord, page 48. Page 48 of the petition, my lord.
This is division bench matter was referred to
My
the.
lord, I am not aware what is the.
Huh?
I am not aware what is the.
Because, lordship, initially, it was referred to to a larger bench because there were different decisions were given by this honorable court, your lordship. So that is why it was referred to the division bench, and after that, the division bench has, this is the direction that the division bench has given.
So what is it? This is
My
the
lord,
cover.
let me check, my lord, what is the number? My lord, let me check, my lord, after getting the order.
There are 438 numbers of such teachers, out of which not a particular number, some of them are entitled. Therefore, the division bench has said that you pay who are entitled.
Yes,
And if those who are not entitled,
my claim is also same. If they are entitled, let them pay. If they are not entitled, I am not for claiming others who are not entitled.
so in view of this, we'll dispose it of.
Yes, my lord.
Huh?
Yes.
Heard Mr. S.
Yes, Your
Chauhan,
Honor.
learned counsel for the petitioner. Petitioners,
Petitioners, my
how
lord.
many?
12, my lord.
And also heard Mr. MS.
D. Musahari.
D. Musahari, learned standing counsel for
Secondary education.
secondary education, and as well as Mr. Arbor Pujari, learned standing counsel, finance
Fine.
and taxation,
No, only finance.
finance department.
for the respondents. The claims of the petitioner in this proceedings is for the direction to the respondent authority to allow availing one advance increment on having been acquired the B.Ed degree
My lord.
after
My lord, prior to my lord, 22nd October 2014. This is the, my lord, criteria, because my lord, on that day, my lord, the rule amended.
who was not having a what I said? B.Ed degree, huh? In terms of the policy,
Yes, my lord.
in
Yes,
terms
sir.
of the policy,
My lord.
is it correct?
Yes, my lord, page 69, their notification is there,
Where it is page 69.
69.
Where it is says
69, my lord, NHR 28. NHR 28.
yes, where it says
Advance increment are granted to the government servants and cadres of different services under the same as per the Assam Service Provincial Rule for acquiring higher qualification.
no, in terms of the office memorandum that this is in your favor. In terms of it, you are seeking 0703/1998. Next para. The petitioner, 12 in numbers,
Well,
are graduate assistant teachers working in different high schools in the district of Naga, Assam, who were appointed under the Assam School Secondary within bracket Provincialization Services Rules 1982. Mr. At the relevant point of time, the B.Ed degree, the B.Ed degree was not an essential qualification for appointment as graduate assistant teachers. The petitioners were Mr. When you were appointed, you just give the appointment.
my lord, we are appointed prior to my lord 22nd October 2014.
Don't say prior, when you were appointed, just tell us.
My lord, different dates are there. my lord.
Which year? From where to which year to which year? Very good.
Prophet, there's a chart at page 10, your lordship.
Yes, my lord. Yes.
10 horizon.
Yes, my lord, the chart, my lord. Date of appointment,
With
etc.,
effect from
page 10.
in the ranging from in the year ranging from 1992 to 2001, huh? Mr. Please, the government of Assam in the Department of the Secondary Education Department. No, government of Assam in the Department of Secondary Education decided to
provide one advance increment to those who have acquired B.Ed degree after their appointments. And accordingly, one advance increment was allowed to the teachers till 2014 who acquired B.Ed degree during the course of the appointment, during the course of their service. However, by notification dated 22/10/2014, the advance increment, the one advance increment was stopped which was put to challenge in a writ petition in WPC 6241 of 2015. List of this court by the order dated 16/02/2016 has set aside the said notification. Listen, pursuant thereto, the Director of Secondary Education has directed Inspector of Schools to allow one advance increment to the teachers. Next para. It is the contention of Mr. S. Chauhan, Learned Counsel for the petitioners, that the petitioners are the similar situated teachers who have acquired their B.Ed degrees during the course of their service, particularly ranging from 1989 to 2021. 2021, B.Ed degrees. 1989 to 2021. Sorry, 21. You get this, the date of acquiring B.Ed, page 10, and date of joining, and you just date of appointment, you declare page 10. He submits that the petitioners are entitled to be provided the one advance increment which has been provided to all the other similarly situated teachers by the government. Mr. He further, please, relying upon referring to various judgments and orders of this court, submits that similar issue has been decided by the this court, whereby the petitioners were directed to be provide grant one advance increment. Mr. Therefore, the petitioners, the respondent authorities may be directed to grant one advance agreement to the petitioners forthwith. Mr. Next para. MS D. Musahari, Standing Counsel. Secondary Education Department, by placing the by relying the order of the division bench in the case of Mukhtar Hussain versus State of Assam and others in WPC 994 of 2020, dated 26/11/2025, submits that the issue has been settled by the order of the division bench. As the division bench has already the division bench on a reference has disposed of the matter and directed the respondent authorities to pay the one-time increment, advance increments according to the state's decision, the decision of the state. As early as possible. On having been considered that the department, consider the extent of the department, that there are 438 numbers of such teachers, out of whom only some are entitled for grant of the additional increment for their having obtained the B.Ed degree. This stuff. The division bench has also directed to pass a reason order while not granting the additional increment to the leftover teachers who have not been benefited by the measure of the state. Next paragraph. No, it is stated at the above that in view of the order dated 26/11/2025 of the division bench in the case of Mukhtar Hussain Supra, the case of the petitioner would also be covered, as the state has already taken a decision, already done, has undertaken exercise to identify the numbers of teachers who claims for entitlement, who claims for grant of additional increment, advance increment, This advance or additional increment are same thing.
Additional
Yes,
Term used, my lord, at page 69, advance increment.
advanced.
no, it's a division which says additional increment.
It may be also, my lord, same.
Same,
thing,
your lordship.
Same. thing.
See, additional increment, One advance increment, advance oblique additional increment, and the teachers who are entitled have already been identified, This stuff. Therefore, the issue in the proceedings would be covered by the aforesaid
order of the division bench, huh? List. Next paragraph. The on the issue of claim of advance increment in terms of the policy of the state. This court has the coordinate bench of this court have passed different orders. Reference was made on, there was a contradictory,
Lordship. Lordship,
different orders.
different orders were passed. Your Lordship.
Contradiction.
Because-
Why reference was made?
Because in one of the, in one of the orders, your lordship, of this honorable court, it was the 2012 by which they were not given the advance increment, your lordship, that was struck down. Whereas in another decision, your lordship, that was.
Yeah, the, in view of the conflicting decisions, conflicting orders by different benches, the matter was referred to the larger bench. List of in the case of Mukhtar Hussain, Supra. Next paragraph. The division bench by an order dated 26/11/2025 has considered the reference and passed the following and has passed the following orders. Following orders, here where initially of the so and so. Yes. After you quote this, this actually led to referral. After that, you quote. Next paragraph. Having considered that the issue of entitlement of one advance oblique additional increment has been settled by this court, settled by the division bench in the case of so and so Mukhtar Hussain Supra, and has agreed to learn consent for the parties, this court is also of the opinion that no further adjudication is required to be made as the issue as the division bench has decided the matter after consideration of the state of the education, secondary education department, whereby it is identified the entitled, identified the teachers who teachers out of identified teachers who are entitled for grant of one advance oblique additional increment out of
total 438 members of such teachers list of. You don't know whether you will fall under this. 438.
My lord, I do not know about all the teachers.
It will be verified, your lordship.
Yes.
In view, no. In view of the above, it would be appropriate to direct the respondent authorities to consider the case of the petitioner as to whether the present petitioners are within the 438 members of such such teachers or as to whether they are entitled for grant of additional increment for having been obtained the B.Ed degree in terms of the policy. Accordingly, so it is directed to consider the case of the petitioner in terms of the order that is so and so passed by the division bench of this court in so and so Supra. That's all. I'll direct them to consider whether you falls under this 438 or whether you are entitled or not.
Yes.
And in terms of the order passed in by the division bench.
My lord, in case of my lord entitlement, my lord, this is my lord pay within 2 months, my lord.
No,
Those are.
the exercise as directed to be as directed here in above shall be completed within the period of 90 days
90
from
days.
today. 90 days, and also 90 days is being given. Repetition instance allowed and this instance disposed of.
The direction will be, my lord, to the respondent number 1 and 4 kindly, my lord. Because that is the authorities under the education department. Finance has no role so far as, my lord, calculating.
Will
the
not say,
quantum.
they will say respondents only.
4 is also their director. But I may be allowed to serve the certified court.
Obviously, you serve it
Read petition, my lord, also.
where order is required. If you want to, you will have to place.
And my lord, the rule speaks of the phraseology called, my lord, the annual increment that is to be given as advance. The term additional increment is not to be found in the rules, my lord.
But then it says,
I don't know
division
why
bench
it
has
is-
said
yes.
additional.
Much.
Which since you are disposing of on the basis of the direction of, the order of the division bench, will have to use the same word, otherwise there will be a mix-up. If there is no, it's not,
Fine.
but otherwise if increment, only one increment,
Yes. So
which
if-
is, under which for which the rule provides that it can be granted in advance.
in advance at the option of the employee
Ah.
concerned. That's all.
Much.
I am obliged.
6 is over.
Wait, please, your lordship. Lordship, conductive council has been suffering from illness, lordship.
Huh?
Conductive council has been suffering from illness, lordship.
What is the matter?
The matter will argue this.
You don't know anything. Are
Lordship.
you in the matter?
Lordship.
Are you in the matter?
Yes, my name is there,
So?
but he will argue the matter.
You have not been, you have,
Conductive council
you have not
argue the
been,
matter.
you have not been shared with the fee,
Lordship.
huh? Have you not been shared with the fees of the petitioner, client? Therefore, you are least bother. On the prayer of Mr.
A Wahab, lordship.
A. Wahab, who submits that who Mr. A. Wahab, Learned Counsel, though though he's an engaged counsel in this matter, has no idea about the facts of the matter, as Mr. A.H.M.R. Chaudhary,
Lordship.
who exclusively deals with this matter, has some personal difficulty today. Therefore, fresh for listing of the matter. After 2 weeks, after 3 weeks, next para. Although the submissions is one of the strange submissions which this court come across, considering that the leading counsel, the arguing counsel is indisposed, this court has no other option but to grant other option but to adjourn the matter. Accordingly, list after 4 weeks. Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the plea. Have you filed the affidavit?
Yes, Lordship, we filed them.
Is present.
Lordship.
We need to record sometime so that it reminds you that why you are not with the brief and why you are making a mention. Despite considerable years of practice in the profession, is not it?
Lordship.
You appears to be a seasoned lawyer. Sir,
No, Lordship.
how old you are? Don't take it seriously. How old you are?
50 plus, Lordship.
Must be around 25 years of practice, more than 25 years of practice. Isn't it?
No, Lordship, I was earlier was a teacher,
Ah.
high school teacher, Lordship.
So how many years
Science
of
grade
practice?
teacher. 9 years,
9 years. 9 years is quite enough.
Lordship.
1 more year,
10 years.
you are eligible to be elevated as a high court judge.
Then about 15,
More so, you worked as a teacher.
Lordship.
We look up to the teachers. Anyway,
Lordship. Publish.
yes.
Lordship, this matter pertains to Lordship.
Hmm?
Lordship, subsequently, Lordship, I have filed an additional affidavit, Lordship, summing up the facts and the subsequent development, Lordship. My additional affidavit starts from running page number, Lordship, 27.
Saying
Lordship,
what?
happened, Lordship, during the pendency of this petition, Lordship, there are some communications, Lordship. First of all, Lordship, the page 30, page, Lordship, 31, Lordship.
What is
Page
your
30.
claim here?
Lordship, my claim is, Lordship, for Lordship, releasing the area of family pension, which was due to my mother, who expired, Lordship.
Okay, yes, then,
Then, Lordship, my unmarried family pension, Lordship.
yes.
Lordship, page number 31, Lordship, during the pendency of this petition, this was letter from the Accountant General to the Treasury Officer. Lordship.
Ha.
And accordingly, Lordship, the Treasury Officer, Lordship, submitted the both halves of PPO and the reasons and the clarification from when, Lordship, the payment has not been made, Lordship. Page number 32. Lordship, may I read, Lordship?
It is therefore request to ascertain non-release monthly film pension till the date of
Lordship.
spouse of deceased government by taking up the matter with the agency bank and verify same with the records of government. Yes, then 32.
Then 32, Lordship, page
Hmm.
32.
Hmm.
It is the clarification and the submission of both halves of PPO before the Accountant General by the Treasury Officer.
Yes.
In this letter, Lordship, it is stated that, Lordship, third paragraph from bottom, Lordship. But on 24 to 2025, the bank has returned the both halves of PPO to Depot Treasury without paying the family pension due to her with effect from 1/4/2016 to 13/2/2023, date of death of late so-and-so, without assigning any reason. Therefore, Srimati Maina Timing, the petitioner, has applied for unmarried daughter family pension
and submitted her application to the bank. Therefore, I hereby return the both halves of PPO application with other relevant documents for authorization of unmarried daughter family pension and LTA pension to Srimati Mainati Mimbi Lordship. And followed by this letter, Lordship, the Accountant General has issued a fresh PPO Lordship, page Lordship 33 Lordship. This is the communication letter Lordship, and relevant parts of PPO are from Lordship page 34 Lordship. While Lordship sanctioning or issuing the PPO Lordship, area has not been given Lordship, and the family pension has been sanctioned Lordship only with effect from 18/7/2025 Lordship. And my due is Lordship, area due was 1/4/2016 to 13/2023 Lordship, and I am entitled to family pension Lordship, unmarried family pension with effect from 14/2023. But it has been sanctioned Lordship only with effect from 18/7/2023 Lordship. So for that reason Lordship.
You want?
Lordship.
You want?
Lordship.
You want from which date?
Lordship, I am entitled Lordship from 14/2023.
Why?
From the next date of my mother Lordship. My mother Lordship expired on 13/2023.
When you became major?
Lordship, unmarried family, there is Lordship, Lordship notification or rules Lordship exist.
No, you were already major.
Yes, no, I'm
2023.
at present I am 25 years Lordship.
Why the reason for granting you from which date?
Lordship 14/2023.
Where do you get it?
Lordship 14/2023. Lordship, there is this existing.
From which date you have been granted?
Lordship on 18/7/2025. Page Lordship, your Lordship may kindly come to the page number 34. 34 Lordship. It is seen Lordship, clause number 13. Amount of family pension. Normal rate so and so with effect from 18/7/2025. And my arrears have not been released Lordship. And it was.
It was your case.
Yes. And
It was in your case.
Yes.
Writ petition was for this.
Writ petition was for releasing the area of family
So
pension.
that is,
Area of family pension Lordship. Area of family pension relating to my mother Lordship and my current family pension.
no,
Here was-
area from which?
Area Lordship, I am entitled Lordship 1/4/2016 to 13/2013. Lordship, the fact is that my father, Lordship, I will go from the beginning Lordship. My father was a grade 4
I've
employee.
understood your case, but then what do you want now? To
Lordship,
release the
areas,
petition entitled areas of family pension relating to her late mother and current family pension of being unmarried with admissible interest.
and it is specifically stated in the Treasury Officer Lordship that my family pension not paid Lordship with effect from 1/4/2016 to 13/2023 Lordship. It is specifically stated.
Till the date of your mother.
Lordship, my mother's date of death is Lordship 13/2023.
That's why I'm asking.
Lordship. Lordship, the fact is that my father died in the year 2009. My mother's family pension was sanctioned Lordship in the year 2015. After making the first payment by the Treasury itself, Lordship, it was forwarded to the bank Lordship. But bank failed to pay the family pension with effect from 1/4/2016 Lordship. Not even a single Lordship payment was made by the bank Lordship.
But you have not raised that.
Lordship.
You have raised after the death of your mother.
Yes, thereafter, now, my mother also approached the bank authority. And thereafter, Lordship, even.
Yes. Who has to pay, who has to decide that?
The bank authorities level to answer because we have already sanctioned it.
No, your sanction is from which date? Date asking,
So far as area pertaining to the mother is concerned,
it should be the bank.
it should be by the bank.
Ah.
Bank is answerable. So far as
Then
that,
from date of her thing,
that so far as the family pension that is equable to her, my lord, the instruction which I am holding is dated 6/5/2025. On that date, my lord, we had not even received the proposal from the department. So I'm not sure as of today whether her family pension has been sanctioned or not. I'll have to.
This sanction, by way of external affidavit,
That affidavit copy has not been served.
That is not served on us also, my lord.
You are for the bank.
I am for the SBI, my lord, yes, bank.
Why?
My
Why
lord,
you have not paid?
my lord,
Arrears?
my lord, because, after death, my lord, after death, they have to,
Before
my lord,
that, after that, we'll see. That
Yes.
is second issue.
my lord.
First is from 16 to 2023 till the death of her mother.
For that, my lord.
Arrears,
we-
number one.
Ah.
Number two, of course, it may not be decided by the accountant general will decide. Why from 2025, not from the date? Because she was already a measure that point of time.
To obtain instruction,
Ah.
if you can provide me with the copy
Because
of the
there are
sanction.
the two, I mean, 22 years gap, it's a huge gap.
There might be some reasons, my lord, they will be able to explain.
I'll also take instruction.
It's better.
I'll.
It is admitted that you'll, this thing,
But
the
here-
area, they have, the mother was not been paid from 2016 to 2000, till her death. And she has approached also.
Maybe, my
That
lord,
you find it out,
my lord.
on
I'll-
it, that,
I'll-
and next is why from, entitlement is not issue now. Is the period of, the periods which the areas and the, which effective date should be given, that's all. All right,
Entail, my lord, after death, of course, my lord, they will have to produce next of certificate there.
whatever,
My lord.
from the date,
After-
whatever, from the date of, application or whatever, information,
That's right.
not the
Now-
date of your decision. All right, not to you, not to.
Yes.
And Mr. So-and-so and counsel for the petitioner. Considering that the family pension of the, no, considering that the family pension of the deceased mother was not, has not been clear since 2000,
Since 1/4/2016.
1/1,
1/4/2016,
16 to
13 to 2023.
13, 3,
13/2.
13 to 2023, within bracket, date of the death of the mother, huh? Within bracket. And the family pension to be granted to the petitioner being an unmarried dependent daughter of the late. So what is your father's name?
Father's lordship plus problem.
Late so and so, huh? Which has been made,
Father's name is Harsing Tumung lordship.
which has been made effective only from
Lordship only from 18/7/2025 lordship.
18/7/2025. The learned, Mr.
E. Sharma.
B. Sharma, learned counsel for the standing counsel accountant general, and Mr. Sir,
BK Sen, my lord.
huh?
BK Sen.
BK Sen, learned standing counsel for SBI, State Bank of India. You also, you need to obtain.
So then I'm appealing for the treasury officer. I am only the executing authority.
Appeal me, and Mr. R. Pujari, learned standing counsel, finance department. Who are you? Huh?
He is representing the employer.
As well as so and so, huh? To obtain instruction. All of you, whatever, but basically mainly both of you. Send serve.
My lord,
You
I'll
and
take- I'll respond, my lord.
Gupta,
Yes.
Gupta.
The information provided,
I'll-
provide a copy of the additional affidavit.
The-
I'll finish, lordship.
Additional.
Mr. So and so, learn counsel, petitioner to furnish the copy of the entire records,
Lordship.
including the
affidavit.
additional affidavit. You give everything.
Lordship.
Let them decide. List after 2 weeks.
We'll
Dispose of the matter.
My lord, my
Come
lord.
with a
Let me
concrete
fix
concrete
We'll
instruction.
sort out.
That may be fixed, lordship.
Black and white, you
Yes, my lord.
A
can
date-
become.
a date may be
Yes.
fixed, lordship. A
I'll-
date may be fixed,
I'll
lordship.
respond.
We'll see after 2 weeks. We have another
Right.
3 weeks.
All right.
2 weeks.
I did get.
Lord, it is better, while issuing the notice, we raise the maintainability of the deed petition.
Why?
Because my lord, his departmental proceeding was ended 2011.
Ah.
And he Yeah, 2011 ballot, he
14,
was
14.
coach ballot penalty.
AP loss for final order was in
14. However,
2014.
after 13 years, he has come to the court, my lord. That's why there's no explanation of delay. That's why it is opened by the court.
After 10 years, and I have explained the delay by way of filing the additional affidavit that I may be allowed to read out. Lordship, a part of the record also. Not 13 years.
Readings are complete.
Reading complete, Lordship. But they have filed affidavit. I am not going to file any reply because. there is-
Heard Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner. And also heard Mr.
TC
T.C. Chutia, learned state
Additional-
counsel for
government.
additional senior government advocate for state respondents. Admit the writ petition, list poll hearing, usual course. You are in a job.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, this hearing, perhaps the record may be required, Lordship.
Record is not necessary. If he require, I will produce it ballot because he one increment is dropped because he willfully withdraw the 87,000. He drawn to he was transferred from one to
But it
another.
has been recovered.
Yes, recovered, entire amount recovered.
Recovered.
And the finding of the inquiry officer is that it was, the wrong was committed by the accountant. Because I did
Not by
have-
the petitioner,
Lordship,
not by the
not by
petitioner.
the petitioner. Mistakenly, it was transferred to my
It
account.
is equally, you're responsible if
Yes, but he
some
was transferred
amount
from.
comes to credited in your account.
I have informed them and I have
Your
refunded the
duty-
entire amount, Lordship.
He drawn
Huh?
amount from two offices.
Have you informed?
Yes, whenever it came to my notice, when they served notice.
Not sir. Before that, when it
before
was,
that,
when it was credited, when it came to your knowledge, did you inform the account officer?
at
did
that
not, did
time-
not.
No,
Did not
Lordship,
inform
yes,
other.
that is why the hearing will be required.
That is the case.
The amount was credited to my account without any information. Thing is that I have explained while giving reply of the.
Are you illiterate?
No, that
If if amounts comes to you,
Yes.
credited in your account,
He should
without
verify.
knowing, you should verify and you should inform immediately. It
that's
shows
what
your
it-
intention also.
that I'll explain during hearing, Lordship.
Admitted, writ petition is admitted, this for hearing in usual course.
Lordship.
May please, your lordship, that's a matter. Wait for instruction from the department. The Department has already given instruction today that the period of suspension of the petitioner from 2002 to 2011. For that period, we have sent the file to the personnel department for their view, how this period has been treated as it is on the retrospective record. We need some time to, for their instruction.
Actually, my lord, this court, my lord. In the judgment, your lordship may kindly come to page 61, my lord. Operative portion, my lord. Was held, my lord.
This what?
Page 62, my lord, paragraph 5, my lord. Without going through the question as whether the de novo civil proceeding can be initiated, we take note of the petitioner has retired on service in the year 2012. Rule 21 or Assam Pension Rules provides that after retirement, a disciplinary action can be initiated only in respect of such allegation that took place within a period of 4 years of such proceeding. As the period of 4 years is admittedly, as many times as the petitioner retired in the year 2012, it is now 2022. We are of the view that the intending to phrase disciplinary proceeding against the petitioner would be barred under Rule 21 of rules, meaning thereby we have to understood that the petitioner retired from service without there being a disciplinary proceeding or penalty against him. That aspect also would be due consideration regards the regularization of period of service with so and so in view of the matter. So, as if I been still service, so as if no disciplinary proceeding was there, the period of suspension ought to have been regularized, my.
There's no proceedings. It is deemed no proceedings.
They deemed to be no proceeding, my.
Even if there was, it is barred.
Barred.
So
but they are not regularizing my service as
they just want some instruction. Heard Mr.
P. Kotogi.
P. Kotogi, learned counsel for the petitioner. On the prayer of MS,
Kotoki
MM Kotogi,
for both the respondents.
for learned. Are you standing counsel?
Standing counsel.
A standing counsel,
Animal husbandry.
Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department. Further, 3 weeks' time is granted to obtain instruction.
A phrase foreign is granted, 3 weeks, a further 3 weeks time is granted to obtain instruction. Phrase foreign is granted, further 3 weeks time to obtain instruction. All right,
Lordship may fix a date, otherwise it will not be listed by them.
it will be listed. Let us test it, whether it will be listed.
No, we have to again mention it, that's a difficult.
Huh?
If your lordship, they say they can, they find it difficult, madam.
It's okay, it will be listed, don't worry.
Because we have to explain Charlie occasion also. If a date is given, it's a matter.
It's not difficult. It's okay, wait for this.
My final pension has not been settled, my lord. Now,
Lordship.
now the provisional pension has also been stopped from last month also, my lord.
Lordship, I have received instruction, affidavit has been prepared, Lordship may take it up next week, Lordship, in the meantime, I'll file it.
As he has returned up my pension paper, my lord, to the department, my lord.
17,
Yes, my lord.
you have received it.
Yes, Lordship, it is also prepared, Lordship, I have, only after signing, Lordship, I have to file it.
What is your stand?
Stand is that, Lordship, it was, the salary was fixed under, wrong presumption of the notification. When it was sent to AG, then general, it was returned back. So again, Lordship, the new proposal has been forwarded. That's the basic stand, Lordship.
New proposal now.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship may take it up next week, Lordship.
Mr. Bessier. Heard Mr. S. Bortakur, learned counsel for the petitioner. On the prayer of Mr. B. Chaudhry, learned counsel, standing counsel,
SCRT, respondent number 4.
SCRT. Further, a week's time is granted to file affidavit.
On 8th, my lord. Kindly fix a date, my lord, on 8th, my lord.
Why? It's okay.
But otherwise, my lord, kindly say, my lord, my provision pension has also been stopped, my lord, from last month, my lord, also, my lord.
After 10,
On 11, my lord.
10, 11, whatever.
Yes, ma'am. On 11. 11 December.
My lord, on behalf of the finance department, also, my lord, we will be filing our affidavit.
And
We have
then
al-
in that case,
Yes, yes,
what
we
is
have
your
already
opinion?
sent the affidavit for swearing, my lord.
1 week we're granting.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
On the prayer of both, you add his name, when a standing conference department, for the 2 weeks time is granted.
Also, my direct sum is given to pay my provisional pension also, my lord. The provisional pension, my lord.
We're taking after a week.
Yes, yes, obviously.
Record her name. R.K. Talukdar. Yeah, R. Talukdar. Oh. Yes.
We have filed affidavit, my lord, this is good.
Please, if you know. In these cases, Lord, there are the 3 number of cases, Lord. Can you please, 4822, that's item number 15, your lordship. This one is challenge for the VRS, lordship. Previous coordinate bench of this honorable court, lordship, one observation has already made out. That is honorable court order dated 13/5/2025, lordship. Can you pay this? Honorable court order.
What is the matter?
Matter relating to VRS, lordship. Subsequent issues, I came to know that my husband got VRS, lordship. And that is the premature VRS. That is why, lordship, my pensionary benefit has been held up by the government. Accordingly, lordship, coordinate bench of this honorable court, I did order dated 13/5/2025, lordship. And directed the government to obtain such instruction, lordship, and place the record before the court. That is the court order. May I please to read it, your lordship. Heard Mr. So-and-so.
Just wait.
Here, your lordship.
4822. You are placing 4822.
4822.
Which case? Item 15.
Yes, Your Lord. Item 15.
Oh, pasting, my lord, he is taking the items, 3 petition, my lord. I will have to go through it, my lord. It's the next week, my lord, about hearing.
Lukmani Kumar.
Oh, yes, my lord. Man, I know.
Read petitions, why?
No, Lordship, first, writ petition I have filed for getting pensionary benefit. At
Ah.
that time, Lordship, it was not came to. I did not know whether my husband has got VRS or not.
Then,
That is why subsequent stage, when I have filed the approach before the court, honorable court, then I came to know that my husband got VRS. Accordingly, subsequent stage, Lordship, I filed another writ petition, Lordship, for challenging VRS.
BRS.
Initial stage,
How
Lordship,
can you challenge that? Though you are a wife.
Yeah.
Once your husband has accepted the BRS,
No, that is the previous.
then what is the third one?
Yes, that is why, Lordship, I am before the court, Lordship. So, Lordship, may I please?
So let us not make it clumsy. First writ petition closed. Infructuous.
No, same as yet to be pending, Your Lordship.
What pending?
The
We'll close it today.
Your Lordship, yes, previous 2 number of repetition, 1 repetition.
Which writ petition you are pressing?
4822, 23.
4822. Then 1314 close it.
And 2270-24 case.
Huh?
2273 is 24 case, my lord.
Huh?
Item number 13.
Which case you are relying?
That's why, my lord.
4822/23, Lordship.
2023.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So latest one you are not pressing.
1788. 1788, you are not placing.
17.
Yes.
See, item 14, what is your prayer? You are seeking the family pension.
Yes, Your Lord.
So that cannot be unless we decide the
Yes.
BRS. Huh?
Yes.
Where is item 14 is?
Item 14 is 1788. This is 23.
What is about what is it all about?
Ask it.
No, you don't have any idea about your own case.
No, 1788/23, Lordship, this matter was for praying for pensionary benefit. But after pressing the present writ petition 1788/23, in between period, I came to know that the government has placed the record that my husband has got VRS. That is why, Lordship, another writ petition I have filed and challenging VRS, and that said VRS has been the premature VRS. Only government has.
That is what? That is item 4822. I mean, writ petition 4822.
Yes, Lord.
This is prior to this item 13, 2273.
Lordship, may kindly peruse the prayer in item number 30.
See?
Huh?
It's for sanction of leave salary only, nothing to do with pension, my lord. Lordship, may kindly peruse the prayer. The prayer is issue a direction to release the leave wages of a deceased husband, which amount to 474 days.
This writ petition is filed only because of that, Lordship. That time, Lordship, when my husband rendered his services, during that time, Lordship, he was suffering actually mental disorder. But that time, government has not released the leave salary. That is why, Lordship, subsequent stage, Lordship, I have filed the 100 writ petition. that time lordship, that is the 270/24, that is the item number 13. So lordship, now I want to press lead petition 482223 lordship, that is
Only.
challenging VRS lordship.
Only,
So lordship,
only.
only item number 15 and item number 13, I want to press. So if honorable court has
What is item number 14?
14.
14 for pensionary benefit, pensionary
1788.
1700.
You are not pressing.
So you are not pressing.
And I not pressing lordship. Only
Not
because
Mr.
of
So and so, learned counsel for the petitioner. Who submits that in the WPC, yeah, 1788 of them. Is not pressing pressing this writ petition, accordingly. Mr. So and so is present, accordingly, writ petition stands closed. Is not pressed, Then 13 and 15 you are still.
Yes,
So 15 you want, what do you want to show?
15 lordship.
Hmm,
Can it be Paris lordship, annexer G, page number 47.
this is.
Annexer G, page
closed.
number 47.
This is closed.
4822.
13 you are also pressing.
Yes, your Honor.
During the, when you are mental disorder,
Yes.
leave encashment.
No,
Leave,
Leave encashment,
leave,
my lord.
what?
Salary.
His presumption
Leave
is that-
salary.
his presumption is that during that period, since his service has not been terminated, that period should be considered as leave and he should be paid the leave salary.
How many? How much?
474 days. 474 days.
470.
470.
He says that he was absent for 474 days. And since legally he was in service, so leave salary has to be paid. Now, the thing is, my lord, whether he had any leave in his,
This also will close, because once you are,
Yeah, sure.
once you are succeed
Yeah, your lord.
in this 482, all right,
Yes, sir.
everything will follow. Is not it? Better unnecessary.
Yes.
Same order in item 14.
Yes.
14, 13.
13, I pay for the
13, You just record.
13.
13 B Sharma for AG and in 14 Arketal.
They are not pressing.
Arketal.
Then 15. Now
Lordship,
15.
lordship, 15, yes.
Let us see. What is
Lordship,
15?
Can you Paris annexer G, page number 47.
Of what? 47. Yes.
Yes, your Honor. May I please to read this letter issued by the government. Information regarding pension benefit of late Constable Hemokpur. Your letter number shows checking pension benefit of your husband, late Constable Hemokpur of this unit. With due respect and reference to the subject cited above, I have the honor to inform you that after scrutiny of the records of this unit, it was found that the late Constable Hemokpur submitted an application on 28/3/2018 for voluntary retirement from his service, and after receiving his application, he was given 3 months time for rethinking on this matter and then to submit his final decision on or before 30/6/2018. I did office memo number so-and-so, dated Ligiripukuri so-and-so, letter on 29/6/2018. He resubmitted another application for the same, and on his request, his prayer for voluntary retirement was accepted on 30/6/2018 by the commandant of this unit. As per his service record, he completed 8 years, 10 months and 2 days of his service at the date of his voluntary retirement. Further, I would like to inform you that as per OM number so-and-so for the Finance Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Assam, minimum requirement of
Yes,
qualifying service.
Hmm.
So that is this letter is the discernible lordship. One statement, they had admitted my husband application, although he did not completed the qualifying service of period which is mandatory as per provision, SRFR 56 suppose.
No,
Yes.
what, if I
Now-
correctly
now-
understood, what it says that you have asked for voluntary retirement,
Yes.
which was accepted after providing
Yes.
3 months time, which you have again submitted an application which was accepted.
Yes,
in view of that, till the retirement,
Yes,
voluntary retirement, you had only 8 years.
yes.
So to have a
Less than 10 years.
qualified to reserve is 20 years.
That is a discernible statement, Lordship. The voluntary retirement should be accepted only because of that. If a government employee has completed your qualifying period of service as per FR 53, Lordship, that is a 20 years or other 25 years or.
Okay, you may be correct. At this
Or-
distance point of
More
time,
text, Lordship. May I please to
how
read
can,
the
how
law,
can, what we can do now?
Lordship.
It is not
So
you.
premature fellow of
No,
VRS
it is
cannot
not
be
you. It
accepted
is not
in
your
this point of
service.
time, Lord.
It's not your service, your husband's service.
Yes, that's what. But that is the illegality done by the
Your
government.
your husband had asked for it.
Yes.
He was alcoholic liver diseases, my lord.
Huh?
He is a heavy
You-
drunkard.
Your husband has asked for it.
To Lordship, into their affidavit, Lordship, kindly be paid, government has filed an affidavit 21st of May 2024.
So according to your only ground
is
is that since he was not qualified to be granted on release on voluntary retirement,
Yes,
right?
that is
He
right.
would not have been.
Yes.
Not have been,
Or-
but
or
what
your
can we do?
Lordship,
It was
only
done is
acceptance
done.
The premature VRS, the authority has know that if acceptance of the VRS, the entire service career will be devastation and destruction. That is the bona fide intention of the government. My husband has no fault in this regard, Your Lord. May I please to read
Your
it?
husband
Their
is
affidavit.
rather your husband is that on the fault is lies on entirely on your husband. Of course, not to you.
But
You say
Lordship,
it's not your fault, but
Sir-
fault lies appears to be on your husband. Of course, not on you.
But no, Lordship, government has itself stated that into their affidavit. May I please to read
Yes.
in para number 15 as well as the para
Page.
number 6, Lord.
Page,
That is the stated that
page,
page number
page
62, Your Lord.
62.
Government affidavit.
Ah,
Dated
My annexer 3 is clear, my lord.
5/24.
62. Annexer 1. Annexer A.
Para, into their government paragraph.
Huh?
Government paragraph, Lord, stated there. Page number
Additional appeal
62.
filed by the no. What is this? Para 15. Para 15.
Paragraph 11.
With regard to para 9.
No, Lordship, paragraph 11, the additional affidavit filed by the government.
Government or you?
Government statement
filed.
is to draw attention.
Additional affidavit.
Yes. Into their affidavit, Lordship, it stated that
Lukmani Kaur. You have also filed additional affidavit.
I have already filed the reply affidavit against the
Then why you have said it's additional affidavit?
government affidavit stated that, Lordship, as per the OM number so and so dated so and so of the Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Assam Finance.
Where it is? Which paragraph?
11, my lord, 11.
11.
Page
Page 62.
62.
Office memorandum 12/9/1984 of the Commissioner Secretary Finance Department. Minimum requirement of qualifying service for the purpose of voluntary retirement is 20 years. As he
This
did
is
not
additional
complete the
affidavit.
qualifying service of 20 years, so he is not entitled to any pension benefit. On the other hand, GIS bill amounting to rupees 60,452,000 only was drawn and deposited in the bank account of his wife, Timothy Lukubuni Kaur, the petitioner. Might be
No,
lost
no,
also.
affidavit.
Moreover, level.
Affidavit filed by additional affidavit.
No, brother. Affidavit opposition filed by us.
No, which affidavit he is referring? Is it the additional affidavit or
What
affidavit?
additional? Additional affidavit,
Affidavit, Lord.
affidavit opposition.
Why you are saying additional affidavit?
That's why, brother, confusing here all these things.
Sorry.
Affidavit
Affidavit
by
filed by
response
the
number
government.
6.
Affidavit is filed by?
Response number 6.
Ha.
Yeah.
Para.
Para 11.
Para 11.
That's, yes. It's page
As per
87.
the OM number so and so dated.
It's page 87. The court's record, huh?
Page 87.
Perel, read it, please. Statement, minimum required qualifying for privacy voluntary is 20 years. Age he did not complete the 20 years, so he is not entitled to any person. On the other hand, AG has been amending. That's the qualified so and so method. By the end. In the year is been 7 years, 22. Yes, what do you want to say? Yes, what do you want to submit?
Yes, Your Honor. So, Lordship, premature VRS, Lordship, which cannot be accepted, Lordship, by the government. As per the government, OM, Lordship, Chief stated that, Lordship, for applying the VRS, Lordship, the minimum requirement of service depth is 20 years or either he has to complete it 50 years. So, my husband did not complete it even after 20 years or even the 50, did not attain the age of 50. So that is why, Lordship, so accepting premature VRS, Lordship, they just know that if once acceptance of VRS, the entire service career would be destruction, Lordship. That is the malign intention of the government. That is why, Lordship.
You have
So,
asked,
Lordship,
you have asked for yourself? Yes, you have asked for yourself. I mean, your husband.
No, your Lordship, our constitution, Lordship, under Article 311, Lordship, there is a prescribed provision, Lordship, for granting, for providing punishment, Lordship. There is a punishment. So, Lordship, here in case of VRS under section Article 310, Lordship, that is the doctrine of pleasure, Lordship. And VRS only should be accepted only on the ground that the public interest must be involved in their laws. In any point of time, the constitution is also very much clear. Doctrine of pleasure, Lordship, also protected my husband's service laws. So,
I don't know if I understood the doctrine of pleasure doctrine.
doctrine of pleasure, Lordship.
I have my understanding of that, but how can you bring in that?
So, Lordship, may I please to read the doctrine of pleasure at this point, may I draw attention. So, Lordship, the pleasure is invoked by the government in the public interest after the government servant attained the age of 50 years or he has completed 25 years of service. Is constitutionally permissible as compulsory termination of service under FR 56V does not amount to the removal or dismissal by way of punishment, while government service has its right to under FR 56V to compulsory retire a government servant even against in his wish. There is a corresponding right of the government servant under FR 56 to voluntarily retire from service by giving the government 3-month notice. There is no question of acceptance of the request of voluntary retirement by the government when the government service exercises its right under FR 56C. Similarly, under Article 310 of the government has power to abolish the post. However, such an action, whether executive or legislative, is always subject to judicial review. The question whether a person whose service or termination as a result of abolition of post should be rehabilitation by giving alteration employment is matter of policy on which the court has no question. So, Your Lordship, so if the VRS has been accepted, that is the public interest must be involved. But in case of my husband, there is no public interest has been involved. The authority has known that my husband has suffering at that time liver disease or such other disease. Accordingly, into their government affidavit, it said that during his service dinner, he was repeatedly informed to avoiding the alcohol. But they ought to have been.
What is the question of pleasure doctrine? Doctrine of pleasure can be invoked here, applied here.
Very much clear about the VRS.
From where you are reading? From where are you reading?
Yes, Lord, Constitution, Lord, our Constitution.
Which edition? Which year?
Petition 2011, Your Lord.
We are in 2025. Is it by whom? By whom?
Lordship,
Who is the author?
Jayan Pandey,
Huh?
Dr. Jayan Pandey.
Okay.
Written by.
Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel, you have raised many things which may not be applicable. Will need a detailed hearing. Without, we'll dispose of the matter.
Can we fix for hearing now?
No.
So that may can be.
My lord, lordship, can you see our annexer 1, 2, 3 and 4?
Yes.
He applied for,
See, how you have allowed him to go voluntary retirement?
because he is.
Fundamental rules says that
He,
certain, whether you could have,
no, he is suffering for liver cirrhosis, he's not a not fit person.
So-
He himself submitted an application 28 March 2018.
it's okay, what's the question of voluntary retirement?
Voluntary retirement means, my lord, those who have
You
completed.
you could have
completed
discharged,
that,
you-
yeah,
you could have discharged him if he's not fit to be continuing the service.
they could have been done, but he.
Your own, this, it says, so your
those who
own,
have
your
completed-
own saying, it says that unless you, the completes 20 years or 15 years,
Yes.
would not have been allowed to go on retirement,
Oh, he will not get
voluntary,
a
voluntary retirement.
service benefit. But those who were before that, he submitted voluntary
Well,
retirement.
the provision of allowed
Provision is not
to
covered.
go on voluntary retirement
He himself
before
submitted-
completion of 15 or 20 years.
Oh, Lord, he himself submitted, allow me to go on voluntary retirement from service.
Sir, why you have allowed? There's
Because
other option also,
Option was there, but
other procedure.
he was not fit. Regarding the.
Not his, the government should be carry the departmental proceeding against him, Lordship. That is their
No, there's
responsibility.
no
Lordship.
question of
Not to
departmental
so.
procedure.
Only to avoiding the further inconvenience, avoiding, and they have get shortcut. That is not the way, Lordship. They also, my husband's service also protected under Article 311.
But what can we do now? Assuming,
I tell you that
assuming that he ought not to have been allowed to go on voluntary retirement. But in actuality, he has gone. He has just
Service to be
completed
considered
8 years.
that he died in harness.
Huh?
To be accepted.
Huh?
He did not allow him to go on VRS, Lordship.
Can we
So,
decide
to be
on,
treated as he is in service, Lordship.
Okay.
So entitled to get pensionary benefit.
can we presume against the facts?
Yes, that is the law, Lordship.
We cannot. Sorry.
That is the law. Moreover,
Sorry.
Lordship, one.
And
thing
Mr.
letter-
So-and-so,
Your Lordship, just a minute. Your
Learned
Lordship, I will allow-
Council for Deputy, Mintu sir kya?
Yes,
Learned Council for the Petitioner. And Mr. T.C. Chutia, Learned Additional Senior Government Advocate.
Your Lordship, I may be allowed.
Just wait.
4, 5
And
and 6.
Mr. So-and-so, so-and-so. huh?
4,
Writ
5 and
petition is admitted for hearing. List for hearing in usual course. We'll see.
Your Lord.
That's all.
Yes, so date may can be given, Lordship, before vacation, Lordship, before vacation. Before vacation.
Usual course.
Your Lordship, prior Lordship, several time Lordship, this matter was fixed for admission hearing, Lordship.
Don't take,
But unfortunately, it has
Don't-
come again in not.
Sir,
not
don't-
come in
sir,
hearing date.
don't take chance.
Your
Your
Lordship,
writ petition will be,
vacation any date, yeah, your Lordship only.
you will,
Any
your
date,
writ
Lordship.
petition will be
Otherwise-
dismissed.
Regarding 2
Your
to
Lord.
70, item number 13, he is not pressing or not.
That has been closed.
Close,
Close.
your Lordship.
2
Close.
to read petition closed.
Closed, huh?
Yes, sir.
13, 14. Only
Yes.
15 we have admitted for hearing,
Sorry.
listed for hearing in the usual course.
Any date as
Usual
Lordship
course,
wanted.
sir, it's not possible.
Your Lordship.
Try in the new year.
But Lordship, date may can be fixed as. any date-
Usual course, we'll see.
Any date, can
We'll
be
see.
fixed, date.
My lord, in item number,
It's 2023 matter, it should be listed.
my lord, in item number appeared for finance.
हाँ tell her इनको क्या नाम था? आनंद ही बोलता है. Yes. Odd MSO and so learn council for.
My lord, we are taking time, my lord, since last.
What is the issue?
My lord, regarding pensionary benefits under the old pension scheme. My lord, I don't think they should also require some time. Last occasion also I said, Lordship may kindly take up my additional affidavit, my lord. Government has already, my lord, considered. I have enclosed those documents, my lord, in my additional affidavit. Actually, my lord, we were appointed in 2014. After that,
Madam, no point. If you are granting a time to file them instruction.
how long they will give, and these petitioners, a few of them are going to retire also. in the
When?
my lord, they are 58 years now, 55, 57, 58 years now.
Ah.
Three of them. So, my lord,
When
I'm
is the
saying-
retirement?
My lord, if this, if it will be, my lord, always, they will always feel happy that if the issue is settled before their retirement.
No, when they are going to retire?
1 year.
Or before that, definitely will. It's only
Lordship may kindly fix a date. in
praise
that.
for is granted this time to take instruction in terms of the order that's P56. What is 5-6? What is the 5-6? Has submitted in view of the fact that an additional affidavit has been recently filed, but will sometime may be granted to an amendment. Otherwise, the affidavit has been filed.
No, they have not filed their
Affidavit is filed.
application.
Okay, only additional affidavit
Additional is mine.
by the to bring on record subsequent record. You are Tara Kantar, not
Taranikanta. Now,
Taranikanta. Yes. They are taking a pretext of your additional only. And MS so and so learn counsel for the petitioner. Petitioners, huh? On the prayer of Mr. G.P. Learned Standing Council. Huh? Elementary education. A further 2 weeks time is granted to obtain instruction and file affidavit.
the date we fixed, my lord.
Difficult, let them. 2 weeks.
Becomes difficult, my lord, then the case doesn't get
Huh?
listed, my lord. Can it be after 2 weeks, maybe sometime in last part of December?
Last
Before
part
the
not
vacation, I'll
possible.
just take a chance.
Last part, it's not possible. And in fact, that will not be, because last 2 weeks will be for motion day only. So it's of no use.
Sometime in January.
January will sit 2 weeks, it will be listed. If it is not listed, you may make a
Fine.
mention.
Fine.
17.
Yes.
But this matter is like this, my lord, the petitioner, my lord, was inducted as a labor under PWSS scheme, which is under the Nagaon Public Health Engineering Division, my lord, in the year 2014. Thereafter, my lord, for the last 10 years, he was working there, my lord, and he also got training. But subsequently, when, my lord, the Jal Mitra scheme was introduced, my lord, his name was perhaps, my lord, discontinued in that list, Jal Mitra, my lord. Jal Mitra, my lord.
So,
We are basically, my lord, saying that, my lord, since we have been trained, my lord, so our name may be considered. And for the post of Jal Mitra, my lord, in
what is their stand? What is the stand of the government?
they have not filed any affidavit, my lord.
Huh?
Affidavit has been filed by the private respondent number 6.
6. Who is for the state?
The matter is that the appointment of Jal Mitra are purely done by the water user committee, Your Lordship. The PHA has no role to play on it.
Huh?
The appointment of Jal Mitras is purely done by the water user committee. Only PHA builds the plan, they hand it over to water user
Committee under which?
committee
Constituted under which?
constituted by
Pipe water supply
pipe
scheme.
water supply scheme. There's a committee who are taking the benefit of the scheme. They themselves constitute a committee, appoints a Jal Mitra from within them.
So when the writ doesn't lie,
But one more issue is that, my lord, in the
you are agreed by the action of whom?
the user committee, my lord.
Then
User company is completely private, Your Lord.
there is a committee constituted under the scheme. It has no statutory authority. Not even a statutory authority. Forget about the state authority under the state. Writ petition dismissed,
My lord.
not maintainable.
My lord, then you can give one chance, my lord, for making this person who was also inducted in my position, my lord. We'll make
No, you are agreed by the
Yes,
action
that
of the
is true, my lord.
committee.
That is true, my lord.
Committee is not under, it's not even the
not a-
instrumentality of the state.
My lord.
Withdraw.
My lord.
Otherwise, why should take a
My lord.
tag of dismissal?
Will
Are
withdraw.
you admitting it?
My lord.
Why
It is
not
true.
forcing you?
It's true, my lord.
Because there's no action on the part of the state. Nothing, huh? Not Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner who fairly submits that the writ petition would not be maintainable, may not be maintainable in view of the fact that the grievance raised against the grievance is against the action of the committee constituted under a particular scheme, which is not an instrumentality, which would not be instrumentality of the state. Therefore, phrase for withdrawal of the writ petition. Mr. So-and-so are present. According to the writ petition stands closed as withdrawn. All right?
Mal. File.
Item 19.
I need some more time to get my instruction, Lord. So it is a pension matter. The
Pension matter.
Petitioner, my husband died in 2006 itself, Lord. And the office where the petitioner husband was working no longer exists, Lord. You have to look at the records, Lord.
And it was last listed in 2024, August,
Lord.
1 year back.
Lord.
Anyway, heard MS so-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner.
My lord,
On the prayer of Mr.
And
Upadhyay, learned standing council,
irrigation.
irrigation department, further 2 weeks time is granted to
3 weeks.
of
I appear for the LG. I appear for the
record their name.
B Sharma.
Prayer on the prayer of them, huh? To obtain instruction, then these all are there present. Huh? Yes, yes, what do you?
Obliged, Lord.
Anything?
My lord, item 21 be taken up, my lord. Here, my lord, the case is that, my lord, petitioner was accorded penalty, my lord. He referred an appeal. Appeal also, my lord, did not pass any reason order why the appeal was not considered.
Dismissal.
No, my lord.
Appeal has not been,
Reduction of the rank.
huh?
Reduction of the rank.
Okay. Penalty is reduction of rank.
Rank, my lord.
Would
From
you-
head assistant to senior assistant.
Okay.
And I have been given posted somewhere else, my lord, in that the very department. And here, my lord, no affidavit has been filed. And basic allegation is that, my lord.
Let them file. It's of no point. It's a departmental proceedings. only.
Yes, yes. Affidavit or record has to come.
First let them file
Yes, yes,
affidavit, then we'll see the record.
Yes, yes.
Call for the. And Mr. M. Burbuya,
J.I.
J.I. Burbuya, learned, J.I. Burbuya, learned counsel for the petitioner.
RM Das.
Mr. R.M. Das, learned standing counsel,
Water
Water Resource Department is granted. Fresh foreign is granted further 3 weeks time to file affidavit. List after 3 weeks.
Item 22.
May I please your lordship?
Yes.
This matter pertains to retirement benefit of the petitioner. Kindly say page number 7 and para 7.
Yes.
Can you see the order dated 7/11/2025?
Yes.
I am appearing for respondent number 4 and 5, the municipal board.
Hmm.
And
On my affidavit, I have stated there is financial crunches on the part of the board and some queries were made to be clarified by the Director of Principal Administration.
Who is respondent number 3?
Perhaps.
You have been requested to look into.
I have forwarded the order to the Director of Administration. Fact is, petitioner he retired from the board. I say the board responsibility to give him the financial benefit, retirement benefit, but they have no fund. That's why they are requesting the government, my lord, to provide a fund. That is the case. Now, my lord, as per order of this honorable court, 7/11/2005, I have forwarded it the 25th of November 2025 to the director to look into the matter. And
When did you provide it?
I have forwarded 25th of November, my lord.
25th.
Yes.
What's the order of
25th
7/11?
November, yes. Recently, my lord. But my letter was sent on 11/11/2025. The order was not provided to me by the board. That's why I have received it later on. That's why I forwarded immediately. So some time may be granted.
My lord, the petitioner is a female and she is a senior citizen and she is suffering from various diseases and she is suffering financial hardship. That's why the
See, Mr. Dar, can you deny the entitlement
it's taking much time, my lord.
My lord, that problem is
on
that
the ground of financial constraint?
that
Cannot be.
disputed. That is the.
It's your lookout. It's a way just, the government is also not, I mean, obligated to give you a fund.
Yes.
You will have to manage. Still board is there.
Board
You have
is
allowed
there,
them
it's
there to
running
go
efficient.
retirement.
We have annexed 3 years, last 3 years balance sheet as per direction of this honorable court. And we are
Very
running it
difficult.
efficient, so.
You will have to work it out.
So we are.
This time
requesting-
today we'll grant it, we'll grant sometime because he has already, he has,
Yes.
he has communicated very recently, therefore we're granting sometime, but
Because court.
government may not be, but don't take it, but since you have expressed
Yes, yes.
earlier occasion to, if you can look into, it's your board only.
Yes.
Board is
I
for the, board is also for the state, I mean, the citizen.
There, I think the government has provided some fund for development, I think.
You find it out.
If their fund is available, but I will request them, my lord, to provide it. Well, court's order issued to me on 24 November 2025. Next day, I have forwarded it. So time may be granted, my lord, again. I
Not
will
Mr.
forward.
So-and-so, learn counsel for the petition.
Short time may be given, my lord.
What time will I get?
Next, having considered that the learned additional senior government advocate has forwarded the order of this court very recently. After receipt of the copy of the order dated 07/11/20 on 24 so and so. Let this matter be listed after 2 weeks.
Kindly fix a date.
2 weeks so as to enable the learned additional senior government advocate to placed to take, no, just after 2 weeks, huh? Just to know. You have filed the affidavit.
I have filed there.
You are directed to file.
Yes.
Last
Mr.
last
So-and-so,
order, they have
learned
directed to
counsel
file in
for the
order.
respondent 4 and 5. You are for 4 and 5.
4 and-
Submits that he has already filed the affidavit on behalf of respondent 4 and 5.
Sir, my name, my name,
What is your name?
Jad Hussain.
Jed Hussain. Okay. Obviously, your name will be what in petition.
Right.
But your name is not there, mister.
was filed earlier and I am a new junior.
You have filed a wakalatnama.
In this case, I have not filed.
You have not filed. You file it. You just said, Mr. Jed
That Hussain,
Hussain, Learned Counsel, appearing on behalf of
that Chaudhary.
Mr. H.R. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel President. You file your wakal power. Yes,
May I please your lordships?
yes.
My lord, this is a matter where, my lord, two things are required to be adjudicated upon by your lordships, my lord. First is whether, my lord, while appointing somebody, my lord, reserving a power to revert can be a power without any rules or without any considerations or against the rules, or just can be exercised at any point of time by the employer, my lord. And the second is, my lord, when the rules do not provide for a further period of probation, after completion of that period of probation, whether there will be a deemed confirmation, my lord. The facts of this case is like this, my lord. This petitioner before your lordships, he joined the Assam Public Service Commission as a junior assistant, my lord. Thereafter, he was promoted as a senior assistant, my lord. During the course of his service in the Assam Public Service Commission, there was a vacancy to the post of research assistant. And that post of research assistant was, my lord, available only to those employees who are within the Assam Public Service Commission, not for people who are outside. And accordingly, my lord, the petitioner applied and he was selected, my lord. On being selected, he, my lord, joined in his service as a research assistant, my lord. The rules, my lord, provided that, my lord, there will be a probation of 1 year, and, my lord, subject to certain considerations, it may be extended to 2 years, my lord, and it could not have been extended beyond that. Now, my lord, after completion of the first year of probation, my lord, the petitioner was going on to the second year of probation, and he continued his service, even though there was no letter by the department, my lord, by his employer, that because you were deficient in such and such areas, or you were deficient somewhere, we are considering your probation for a further period, my lord. So he continued, my lord, thinking that, my lord, ultimately the period of extension was there, my lord, and the further period of 2 years was there. So he continued, my lord. And the rules provided, my lord, because this was a, my lord, appointment which is from the APSC itself. So, my lord, he ought to have taken, he was directed to, my lord, avail a lien on his earlier post, my lord. So he had a lien on his earlier post also. My lord, lordship is aware the question of lien is a protection, my lord, that in case when I join in a new place and I am not found suitable at any point of time, my lord, if I am sought to be retrenched from that post or released from that post, at least I will be having this post where I can come back and join, my lord. This is the purpose of the lien, my lord, to my understanding. Now, my lord, after 2 years of, my lord, probation having been over, and, my lord, he wrote a letter to
How long you will take?
My lord?
How long you will take?
It will take some time, my lord.
We'll list it for hearing.
Pleadings are completed, my lord.
We'll admit it and list for a hearing.
My lord.
It's better to have in a hearing
Give
days.
me a short date, my lord.
Not short date.
No, short date, because in the month of January, my lord.
January, it will go to January.
Yes.
Not possible. There's practice
Yes.
here.
My lord.
Heard Mr. G. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel for the petitioners. How many petitioners?
Only one, my lord.
Petitioner, huh?
My lord.
There. Be careful. It's very difficult for me to sign, correct the one line order also. All right. Heard Mr. G. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and also heard Mr. T.J. Mahanto, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by M.S. P. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the respondents.
Respondent number 1.
Writ petition is admitted for hearing.
In the month of January, my lord.
List in the month of, as agreed to by Learned Counsel for the parties, this in the month of January.
Second week, my lord.
We'll say January.
Because first week, my lord. he has
Second
also
week
some
of
problem,
January.
I'll also not be there.
Second week of January. Huh?
I am deployed.
Hey, please, Your Lordship.
Yes,
In item number 26, Lordship, we have not received the affidavit in opposition filed by them.
Lordship, in fact, this is
And other pleadings are complete.
26 was a matter which they filed in the Itanagar bench. So it was filed there, Lordship. Their junior must have received it there.
We have not received, kindly, Lordship. We will be allowed to read.
you have already filed.
Yes, in Itanagar.
They-
You submit.
I will give a copy.
Heard MS learned council for deputy.
I just have a small prayer, Lordship. In item number 24, there is a interim stay, Lordship. This is a sitting with regard to DP. So, Lordship, may I pray that Lordship, it may immediately after reopening of the
In the month of January.
6th or 7th, Lordship. 8th, Lordship.
In the meantime, we will file our reply.
Accepted.
That's fine.
Mr. Arcady Chaudhary learned DSGI
Lordship.
to furnish the copy of the affidavit in opposition while in WPC 5792 of 2015, 2025. Right, item 26,
Lordship.
5792 of 2025 to the learned counsel for the petitioner is agreed to by learned counsel for the parties that this matter be listed in the first week of January
Lordship, it will be on
2026.
6th, Lordship.
Huh?
On 6th, Lordship. On
6 is which day?
6th is
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Lordship. Thank you.
Tuesday, then we'll admit this and then this for hearing on Tuesday.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Then, Lordship, there is a
Huh?
IA for vacation of the state, Lordship.
Okay, in that case, it's okay. On 6th, huh?
There's an interim order, Lordship, that may be. correct.
Interim order passed.
Item 24, Lordship.
24 and 20.
26, I don't see any interim order, Lordship.
We'll say interim order passed earlier shall continue. I think 24 will cover.
Because in the other cases, they argued and the interim prayer was rejected.
The interim prayer passed in WPC 4861 2024 is shall continue. Huh?
And in 26, the order was after disposal of the other two cases, that will be taken up. So there is no interim in 26.
We'll see, we'll see. How many conditions are there?
Your Lordship may go through order dated 19/11/2025.
Oh, sir. Yes.
So that is to be clarified, my lord, and their constitution and the bylaw says only the director can initiate the judicial proceeding or even suspend a person in the mental hospital Tezpur. It was heard by Justice Unni Krishnan, and after that order was passed.
Which one?
That 19/11/2025 order. Has your lordship got?
Yes.
I have approval from the appointing authority. My lord, the subordinate authority,
Why these are like this?
subordinate to appointing authority can initiate DP, but the final order can be passed by the appointing authority. It is well settled, and it is observed in many cases by the honorable.
Why this
Supreme Court.
state memorial was issued? Why this was issued?
Because the order was passed by in the name of and by order of the director. It was not accepted by the Honorable Justice Vikanayat. So their bylaw says, my lord,
Have you
Yes,
seen this
my lord,
order?
this is the-
1911.
1911, yes.
Yes.
We initiate the DP with the approval of the government.
of the appointing of the director, my lord. But he has the power to delegate any function to each subordinate official. And Supreme Court also says that
I have
My
not
lord,
understood what you have
yeah, that-
submitted. Why you are, I
My-
mean, directly jumping to the Supreme Court?
my lord,
Be grounded, sir.
this yellow copies, my lord. At page last one, search sheet.
See, this
Jump-
memorandum 0404/2024 was issued by the OSD Deputy Director.
Yes, that is, he is
In
not
the,
authorized.
by and in the name of the director.
Yes.
So the director and the deputy director is supposed to clarify today. Why this memorandum has to be issued in that manner? In the
It
name
is a
of director?
format, my lord, of the
Huh.
government. It is a format of this form.
What
It is a
format?
format, my lord,
Which court?
for issuing any DP, my lord.
Format of?
Format of the government handbook. Yeah, I have annexed in the handbook at third page, my lord. Handbook for inquiry official and disciplinary authority. Next page, my lord, it is 6th page. Standard form of search sheet for major penalties, rule 14 of CCA rules, my lord. And this is the format and at the bottom. By order in the name of president. We are not president, but we are director.
What is the relevancy here?
The relevancy matter, the director has got absolutely, director only can issue any order of suspension or initial proceeding. It cannot be by OSD in his name, because he says, Mr. Council says that the director has delegated the power. That delegation can never be done, my lord. I'll just give a lordship the constitution of the my lord. My lord, Madras Speaker, it is the option.
I have annexed here, my lord.
22 and 23, your lordship can see. Your lordship can see. 22, Article 22 of the Constitution of the Mental Hospital. Procedure of delegation of powers. Has the lordship got, my lord? The delegation of powers and duties by the council to the director and officers shall be by resolution adopted at a meeting or approved by the majority of the members of the circulation, by circulation. That is not done. And 23, powers of the director to delegate. The director may delegate any of his duty, function, power to any officer of the nation with the previous approval of the council. What is that? Let him produce on next date. Power is delegated to OSD and the director.
You are also relying on this.
My lord.
Are you also relying?
My lord, approval we have. My lord, minutes of the meeting of the executive council.
Well, grant them
We
the
have-
file. It's very difficult.
We
Tell
have.
them affidavit. You bring on record.
Let him begin.
Or Mr. R.P. Sharma, learned senior counsel assisted by so and so
M. Bora.
for petitioner. This court, having considered the memorandum which was issued by the memorandum that is 0404/2024 was issued to the petitioner by OSD Deputy Director by and in the name of director. Directed to clarify as to why the said memorandum was issued in the said manner. Said memorandum issued in the manner as above, comma. The standing council,
Yes.
standing council what?
LGRIM.
Hmm.
Lokapriya Gopinath Bordoloi, Regional Institute of Mental Health. LGPRIMH.
LGPRIMH, huh?
Yes, Madam.
Right. Week's time is granted to one affidavit. 2 weeks time is granted to bring on record the instruction and the clarification by web and affidavit. This after 2 weeks.
Constitution may remain in the record, madam. Constitution of the institute may remain on record, in the record. Date may be, madam, can it be on 9th, madam? 9th of December?
9 December,
Yes.
not possible. January.
January, my lord, earliest, because of the interim order, we cannot initiate any DP. Because on the ground, it is suspended because that DP.
Then after 15, somewhere after 15.
Hello? After?
15.
Christmas.
After 15 of December.
Yes,
All right, ma'am.
May be the lordship. Madam, I am appealing for the response number 1 and 2 for the first time, madam, appealing today, after filing the memorandum of appearances. Madam, I may be allowed to serve a copy for the petition. But I have also received the parents comment. But madam, the copy I have not received, madam.
My lord, in this case, it's a case of 2024. And my lord, the notice was issued long back. Earlier, there are 2 orders of this honorable court, my lord. I think they should we are working since, my lord, 1993, 1904. And there are 2 orders of this, I don't think, my lord, any affidavit is going to help their cause.
Who is?
And my lord, we served them copies on 9/1/25.
Who is, you are for
Madam, I am the standing counsel for response number 1 and 2, madam.
1 and 2?
This case was filed without serving me a copy.
Huh?
This case was filed without serving me a
1
copy.
and 2 is who? Who is 1 and 2?
I think, madam.
State of Assam,
So,
number 2, Director of Employment and Craftsmen.
2 no, 1 no, there are 2 hobo. I will appeal for response number 2, madam.
My lord, on
Who-
behalf
who,
of
this-
1/4,
1.
copies were received on 9/1/25.
who is you, Sharma?
Copy there.
MS U Sharma? He appeared. She appeared.
Appearing respondent number 1, lordship.
1 only. And Talukdar? State,
2 is a necessary party, lordship, in this case.
you are only
Who
for
is
appearing
that?
for
My
2.
lord. Yes, my lord. And the response.
You are only appearing for 2.
Yes, madam, for 2.
Anyway, I will give you- And Mr. Ken
Okay, sir.
Chodri, and have you filed the affidavit? Other,
I will file the affidavit, my lord.
no, it's okay, I've understood. But you are supposed to file. Last occasion, Mr. Talukdar, Ms. Talukdar has said that it has been sent for betting. Still you have not filed.
Instruction received, lordship, in this case, lordship, but the respondent number 2 is the main necessary party, lordship. Therefore,
Forget about- I'm not saying so. I'm asking that on your
Respondent
prayer
number
only
2
with
is
has
a
been
party,
granted.
but not the main party, because end of
Yes.
the day, it is the government who has to give. Director has no power to regularize anybody. Not the-
I'm just informing.
lordship,
Yes, sir.
You'll have to, I mean, once you make a submission before the court, you just cannot say that
Yes.
we are not.
And we are shocked, my lord, today after more than 1.5 years, they are saying we have not received notice.
Huh. And Mr. Ken Chodri, Senior Counsel, assisted by so and so, for respondent number, for petitioner, huh? Mr.
Not SP dash.
The council, standing council or what?
Yes, madam.
Take copies of the-
Appearing for respondent number 2. pressed for and is granted 2 weeks time to file affidavit. Next para, the other respondents,
I'm appealing for respondent 1 and 4.
no, and then, having considered that the other respondents on the last 2 occasions have submitted that the affidavit having been sent, has been sent for vetting and yet to be filed as on that comma. They are also granted 2 weeks time as a last chance to file affidavit. Just after
Keep a
2
date after the vacation, Mila.
in the month of January, second week, make it second. Second week also, it's, they are almost holidays there. Till the Bihu.
Develop. Item 30.
Yes,
Regarding to the skill pay of the petitioner, they are rendering service more than 14 years. As per this Upender judgment, my lord, this honorable court,
pleadings are complete. Pleadings are complete.
Pleadings are complete. Yes, we have filed the affidavit.
Sure. Will admit and fix for hearing. Heard Mr. Swenson, learn counsel for the petitioner. Next para, Mr. Swenson, and Mr. So-and-so. Writ petition is admitted for hearing, list after 3 weeks.
31.
Even, my lord, pertains to dismissal from service. Notice was dismissal from service, my lord.
Yes.
Notice was issued on 10th of January. Till date, my lord, reply not filed.
Yes, further 2 weeks.
Lordship, affidavit was sent for necessary vetting, my lord. Sometime may be required.
Heard Mr. B. Patakalan, counsel for the petitioner.
I'm
You are-
on behalf of DC Bora, KM Hassan, on behalf of.
Mr. Swenson, learn counsel appear on the December, submits that affidavit has been sent for vetting, which
3 weeks time, ma'am.
and therefore press for 2 weeks time to file the affidavit. Rather, list after 2 weeks.
Obvious, ma'am.
32.
May it please, your lordship, lordship, I want 3 weeks time to file affidavit, lordship.
Heard MS Swenson, learn counsel for further 3 weeks time is granted to MS B. Sharma, learned CJG for filing affidavit.
Lord, 33, 34, and 36, my lord. All pertains to, my lord, non-communication of ACR, resulting in which, my lord, the promotions to this
33, 35, 36.
36, my lord.
Yes.
However, different standing councils might be appearing for the government. The stand taken in affidavit, my lord, is that I require, my lord, the grading of, my lord, above average, which is 7. But then they had given me high average, which is 5. According to them, my lord, in the affidavit, the stand taken is that since you are given high average cannot be considered adverse, and therefore it was not communicated.
Same order we passed.
My lord, and the law is clear from Sukhdev, my lord. Good, fair, good, even excellent is to be communicated, my lord. And if it is affecting my promotion, my lord, it has to be adverse.
Recently we have disposed it also. Almost same. Dispose of 3 matters. What do you do? What do you say? This is the only issue or we'll fix for hearing?
The only issue. That's the only. The following Sukhdev, there are 2 more decisions, my lord, I can find on this, my lord, from the Apex Court. This also may be incorporated, my lord. Rukhsana Sahim Khan and Divanlata Devi.
The latest.
It is, my lord. The same law has been reiterated, my lord.
Why unnecessary?
If high average is, my lord, not eligible for promotion, my lord, has to be considered to be adverse.
Heard Mr. B. Patakalan, counsel for the petitioner. This is item?
My lord, 33, 34, and 36.
Same rank.
My lord.
Same department, same,
Same department.
Assam Rifle.
Assam Rifles. Assam Rifles, my lord. My lord, I have given a short, my lord, as to the rank and the particular years I have listed.
And Mr. No, one by one, right, huh? Item 30, 33, Bipatak Learned Council by petition. And Mr.
item number 34, Lordship.
Who is 33? R Devi, Learned CJC. Then item 35.
34, my lord.
34, sorry. B. Pathak and B. Chakraborty, then is CGC. Yeah? Then item 36. B. Pathak, CKS Barua, then C. You just mention it. Difficult to give you a dictation. I have some difficulty. You just take that down, all right? Heart so and so, all this thing, and we'll pass the ordinance. Have you gone through? It's whether outstanding.
Uncommunicated.
Even outstanding has to be. It's not it. Obviously, outstanding. If there's outstanding, they may not.
I would have been
Occasion to come to before this court, but then anyway. We'll pass a separate order, similar and separate order.
Those ranks are different, so separate order.
35. Non-appears for the. What is the matter about, sir? Sir, what is the matter about?
Regarding regularization, my lord.
Huh?
To regularize the petitioner.
Okay, so you want some time?
My lord, can you some time, my lord?
You want some time to file affidavit? Non-appears for the petitioner on call. On the prayer of Mr. SP. SP?
SP does for
SP
number
does.
2 and 3, my lord.
And Standing council.
Yes, my lord.
And so and so.
I am one.
Understand so and so. 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit.
Oblige.
37.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship will find the last order dated 10/4/2025, my lord.
Yes.
As per direction of this honorable court, my lord, I have filed one representation before the director, my lord. So at this stage, my lord, my limited prayer is that, my lord, that representations may be disposed of within a time frame, my lord. That I have, my lord, filed in my additional affidavit, my lord. This matter relates to transfer, my lord.
Yes, you.
Lordship.
You dispose of the matter.
Yes, Lordship, yes. We'll dispose of this representation. Lordship.
Where direction is required.
Yes, sir, that.
We'll list it after 2 weeks. We'll direct them to dispose of this.
Lordship, this.
Or we'll dispose of the matter.
Today, Lordship.
Within a time frame, my lord.
Heard Mr.
Arson.
Then counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. J.K. Goswami, learned addition senior government advocate. For all the respondents.
Lordship,
For respondents.
1 to 5.
Who else are
All
there?
the respondents.
All the respondents?
Yes, all the respondents.
Yes. Where is the order?
117, my lord.
117.
My lord.
Next para. Challenge made in this petition. Is to the order dated
2/4/2025.
2025. Passed by the Director, Women and Child Development, Government of Assam, whereby the petitioner has been imposed with the punishment of censure and simultaneously transferred and posted at destitute and
Vagrant
home Lakhimpur, Vagrant home Lakhimpur. List of
my additional affidavit, my lord, the representation of phase.
This court on the prayer of, at the time of, and then while issuing notice, next para, this court has granted the petitioner to, granted liberty to the petitioner to file representation before the responding authorities. And upon receipt of the same, the responding authorities directed that upon receipt of the representation, the responding authorities may consider and dispose of the same. Next period. Today, during the course of hearing, Mr.
135.
So and so, learned counsel for the petitioner. 135.
My lord.
Submits that pursuant to this court, the order dated pursuant to the order dated 10/4/2025, as by this court, whereby a liberty was granted to file representation, the petitioner having been filed the representation before the Director Women and Child Development Assam, submits that he would be, the petitioner would be, submits that the representation dated 11/4/2025 passed by the submitted by the petitioner may be directed to be considered and disposed of within a time frame. Mr. Mr. Goswami, J.K. Goswami, learned additional senior government dependent. Submits that he would not have any objection. He doesn't have any objection if the respondent is directed to, the concerned respondent is directed to consider and dispose of the representation that is mentioned of the petitioner. Expert. Having considered the submissions of legal counsel for the parties and has agreed to by I deem it appropriate to dispose of this writ petition, directing the responding authorities to dispose of the representation so and so filed by the petitioner, as the matter relates to transfer and posting on which the responding authorities would be an appropriate authority, and then the respondents would be an appropriate authority to consider the grievance of the petitioner. Accordingly, accordingly, the respondent number two respondents, particularly the respondent number 2, the Director Women and Child Development, Assam, is directed to dispose of the representation. Consider and dispose of the representation dated
11/4.
11/4,
my lord.
11/04/2025, filed by the petitioner within the period of 20 days from today.
Lordship, 2 weeks, my lord.
20 days. 2 weeks from today.
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Representation
Lordship, 2
disposed.
weeks from the receipt of the certified copy, Lordship.
From today, I will say.
Today, it will, Lordship,
Why from the date of receipt? Why? They have already, he has already submitted.
Yes, Lordship, yes, yes.
Anyway, from the date of receipt of the copy of this order.
That, keeping mind to the public interest, Lordship, that should be enforced.
I said,
Lordship,
the respondent is the appropriate authority to consider the grievance.
Lordship,
It includes everything.
Lordship.
So, Your Lordship, item number 35,
Ah,
I on behalf of petitioner Lordship, I appear on.
you just record his name. Non-appeal assailant. Yes. We'll resume it too.
Matters pertaining to Itanagar bench, item 1 and 2.
That application, without one application was left because this
Yes.
matter is again coming up on 10th. So, IA number 260, my lord, that is under order 7, rule 14. So, my lord, basically, my lord, the plaintiff has to file all the documents along with the plaint. But order 7, rule 14.3 says, with the leave of the court, my lord, if there is any other documents, my lord, which was not in existence in that point in time, with the leave of the court, we can file. We have filed the evidence of PW1, my lord, the 3 different set of documents. One document, my lord, are CCTV footage and the covering letter of that. Then some few letters we have accessed, my lord, after your lordship's order of 19th of May 2025. That was after the filing of the petition. We have been given access, certain copies and videograph. So been given to me.
They have not filed objection. They
They have not filed, there is nothing to object, my lord.
The objection is ready, Your Lordship, but the respondent, whose wife passed away very recently out of cancer, Your Lordship, he could only come on Saturday, and Sunday and today, Monday being holidays in Itanagar bench, we couldn't file it. Your Lordship will be
Then
filing.
Friday. We'll take it up on Friday.
On Friday means, my lord, 10th, it is already fixed on
On
10th.
10th, Your Lordship, it may come on 10th. In the meanwhile, I will also.
10th is for what?
10th was for evidence, my lord, that's not specifically mentioned. So before that, yes, Friday, not a problem.
That's the way you fix it for today.
Yes, the Friday. 5th.
So
Where-
is it, if suppose if it is without disposing of it, can this be, will it have a bearing on 10th?
Yes, madam. Unless it is disposed of, because those documents are annexed with the PW1. So if the cross-service examination starts, ideally, my lord, before that.
So
it should be
Friday,
5th, my lord.
Friday.
Very good. Friday. Huh.
should not be BC only.
Can be, my lord, possible.
Huh?
Possible, my lord. We can do that.
You'll be here only.
My lord, I will be here only, yes. I'll have to come back, but then I can attend through VC also. There's no difficulty.
Heard Mr. Rituraj Vishwas, learned counsel for the petitioner, applicant, election petitioner. Next prayer. On the prayer of Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel appearing for Mr. Cricket, learned senior counsel for the respondents, opposite party oblique respondent. List this matter on
5th.
5th.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
So on 5th, it will be in Itanagar probably, my lord.
No.
Here on, we are grateful. my lord.
It's Monday only.
Monday only.
10th is what?
10th is, my lord.
And this next Wednesday it will be, Your Lordship.
Wednesday.
Next Wednesday, Your Lordship.
10th is Wednesday, my lord. 5th is a Friday, coming Friday. Today is Monday.
Then
This
can
Friday.
it be on 9th?
No, Friday is fine. Great. It will be very good for me also. I'm here.
Yes.
Friday. Friday 5th is fine. His application is ready. Reply is ready.
Reply is ready, Your Lordship. Friday we just fine.
Great. Because twice they have taken time, but there's a death in the family. We cannot.
Yes, that we can. That's the reason.
Right.
Otherwise, they should have filed an application also.
Yes. All right. Great for you.
Nothing then, continue.
My lord, the case relates to the, my lord, not giving retrospective effect of the promotion, my lord. And to that effect, our coordinate bench also passed similar order, my lord. I was being exonerated, my lord, that your lordship will see a page.
Yes, affidavit will be required.
My lord,
Affidavit will be
affidavit is
required.
needed. If they don't file, my lord, then whatever.
It's a second time, it's listed for second time only, or third time,
Third time, my lord.
only 2025.
Lordship.
We are still in
But I'll
job.
get retired, my lord.
Huh?
I'll get retired
When?
next year, my lord.
Next year is too far.
Only
We have enough time. Yes, wish for the respondent.
forest department. Yes, he has come, my lord.
Yes,
My lord,
last time nobody represented. For the, on behalf of the, nobody represented the forest department. What do you want?
My lord, there are two speaking representations, my lord.
Hmm.
They will be considered by the department, my lord, if my lord gives a direction.
He's asking for the retrospective.
Retrospective effect, if they want to consider, let them consider.
Huh?
If they want to consider, because I have given my representation and I was exonerated from the charge relating to the 2021 and junior have been promoted to those who are below me, my lord. I am before your lordship now. And similar circumstances, my lord.
Exonerated in the departmental proceeding.
Proceeding, my.
That was a reason for non-consideration.
My lord, because there was an earlier case of a round of litigation was there also. I was it has been
Heard Mr. J. I. Burbu, learned counsel.
What date be given, my lord?
On the prayer of Mr. I. Bortakur, learned standing out forest department and
The short date Lova.
you are 4? What is 5? Who is 5?
That forest will look up. It's not that extra.
Are granted for the 3 weeks time to.
My lord,
file-
2 weeks, my lord.
Weeks not possible.
Let it be the immediately after reopening, my lord.
2 weeks.
2 weeks, that's all. Apply.
Yes.
No affidavit has been.
Yes.
Lordship, I need some time to.
And Mr. K. Padgiri, learned counsel for the petitioner. Further 2 weeks time is granted, 3 weeks time is granted to Mr. So and so learned counsel for. Huh?
For the.
PNRD. You are also, you want to file? You want to also file?
No, we have not.
Item number 42 also same, my lord.
44,
42,
42,
my lord.
same.
Same,
Ah,
my lord,
same order.
count. Oblige.
May I please, Lordship?
Hmm.
Here instruction is awaited, Lordship.
Not appears for the petition on call. MS S. Barwa, learned state council is granted for the 2 weeks time to obtain instruction.
Oblige.
Item 43.
My lord, this case,
We have received instruction. We will file our affidavit.
Heard MS Mr. Soin learned council for the, will grant them sometime.
my lord, short time may be granted, my lord. Instruction is with regard to simple instruction whether charge sheet has been filed or not in the criminal case. That must, my lord, my promotion has been kept in the seal cover. The two conditions are there, whether any departmental proceedings pending, no, whether charge sheet filed, no. Simple, my lord. For this, my lord, the short time may be granted. My juniors, my lord, have already been promoted in the month of July. My juniors.
Which post? Which post?
Assistant engineer, my lord.
Ah, okay. Heard so and so.
M. Das, appearing on behalf of Ardhor.
Miss M. Das, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr.
Ardhor.
Arthur, standing counsel,
PWD.
PWD, submits that she has received an instruction which the department would like to bring on record by affidavit. Therefore, fresh for 2 weeks time to
My lord,
file affidavit.
the date may be fixed.
There's a lot. This after 2 weeks.
Kindly a date, my lord. Otherwise,
Yeah.
nowadays, my lord, it's very difficult to list, my lord.
You will be listed, don't worry.
Kindly, my
It's
lord, my humble
promotion
prayer.
matter.
My lord, my humble prayer, my lord, date
Deeply
may be
al-
fixed.
of
After 2 weeks only, kindly a date, my lord.
January,
Yes.
January. Promotion matter is, we'll decide what's there.
My lord. Grateful, my lord. 7.
44 to 46.
Wait, please, your lordship. Lordship,
Yes.
in this matter, on the last occasion, the state responded sought time to file their affidavit.
Hmm.
We have not received our affidavit now.
We need.
What is the matter?
Acha, discharge from service, Lordship. We challenge the discharge order.
Why listed together?
There's similar matters arising out of the same
Same
cause of
department.
action, Lordship.
Same departmental proceedings.
Yes, yes. No departmental proceedings, Lordship. These are the APSC matters, Lordship. So they
Okay.
were discharged without any departmental proceedings. So that we have challenged, Lordship.
Okay. Yes.
Under 4 weeks time required, Lordship, to
Why?
file our affidavit, Lordship.
What you want to construct?
Lordship, I have to take some research, Lordship, on this regard, to construct all the.
You have not received instruction.
No, no.
Have you filed the affidavit?
No, I have to file my affidavit.
What is the
instruction
question of recharge?
Received.
Simple, you have discharged them from the service, whether it can be done or not. Huh? Heard, Mr.
MP Chaudhary, Lordship.
Land Council for the petitioner.
Petitioners, Lordship. three
Petitioners.
petitioners are.
Huh? Further, on the prayer of Mr.
J.K. Goswami, sir.
A.K. Goswami, learned additional senior government advisor. Further, 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit.
Lordship, in all the matters, we have an interim order that may be continued.
Interim order passed, earlier shall continue.
Highly obliged.
Worship. Is a similar order with the discharge APSC order?
Same.
Yes.
Heard MS so and so learned counsel for the petitioner. Item 47, 48.
7, 48, 49.
47, 48, 49. Same order, same proceedings.
Same proceedings.
Yes, same, Lordship.
So and so learned counsel. Yes, Goswami. Arnab Goswami, sorry, A.K. Goswami. You are also Arnab.
No, Lordship, I am J.K. Goswami, Lordship.
Oh, J.K., sorry,
Yes,
J.K.
Lordship.
Goswami, same order, huh? This is also same issue.
Yes, same.
Lordship, it will come up after 3 weeks, all this matter.
3 weeks.
Interim to continue, Worship. Interim to continue.
Interim order pass, understand.
I take a couple of minutes after some time.
Why?
My senior is coming, my lord, Mr. Ikesov.
Huh?
After some time, my lord.
No, who is for the respondent?
GMC, my lord,
Yes, GMC.
that's what a petition.
GMC.
May please, your Lordship.
Yes,
My lord, a notice has been issued, my lord.
yes.
It's
Have-
no man- no
Whether
evidence
your
is filed.
grievance has been considered or not.
Not my lord.
Okay, heard Mr. A.K. Sharma, Land Council for petition. Not appears for the respondents. Next para, since Mr. P. Nayak, learned additional advocate general, had appeared for respondent 1 and 2. And accepts notices, accept notice on behalf of, and had appeared an exception, accept notice on behalf of respondent. For that 3 weeks time is granted to Mr. Nayak to file response.
Date may be fixed. my lord.
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Same order.
Lordship, I'm appearing from GMC on
Ah.
behalf of P. Nayak. Lordship. Would like to file a response, Lordship.
That's, I've granted 3 weeks.
Lordship,
Then in that case, you, right,
obliged.
on the prayer, MS so and so. Let's go. MS so and so. On the prayer, so and so, learn consent. Appearing on P. Nayak, for that, 3 weeks time.
Obliged.
51.
51 same. 51 same Anganamma. Yes, yes, sir. 2018 matter.
My lord, till date, my lord, my case is not.
Huh?
Till date, my lord.
What?
My lord, the.
Still
response
survives?
Filed affidavit in opposition. I also filed an affidavit in reply, my lord.
Hmm. So what is the matter?
But my lord,
Appointment on compassionate ground.
complaint, my lord.
Huh?
Yes, my lord.
So,
Your lordship, it may be fixed for hearing the.
why?
It,
Why?
Your Honor, the conducting council is out of station, sir. A short date may be fixed.
That's what I'm saying. Is there any surviving cause? Assam Electric Board. Assam State Electricity Board is still there.
Yes.
No,
No.
that has been changed. That's why I'm asking, do you have any instruction? Petitioner may not like to pursue the matter. Assam Power Distribution Company is there.
Yes.
APDCL is there. APDCL is there.
Yes.
You are appearing for APDCL.
Petition, my lord.
What is your stand? It's a compulsory appointment. 2018, a writ petition was filed. What is the scheme?
Scheme, my lord, they have filed affidavit in opposition. So much scheme, my lord, order also, in High Court also. This is High Court order, my lord.
I'm asking, is there any scheme?
Yes, my lord.
Where?
One, right, sir, 2005 and 2014.
Where it is?
In affidavit opposition, they are filed affidavit scheme of annexer 1. And 2018 is in my hand, my lord.
Where on what basis you are claiming a compulsory appointment?
It is. This 2014 scheme, my lord.
You bring on record, we'll see.
Bring in record. It is, yes, my lord. I have already filed affidavit in reply, my lord.
Reply, why? That's what I'm saying. Why? What basis you are claiming?
In
Under what? Which policy? Which policy you are claiming?
My lord,
compulsory
affidavit apply, my lord, kindly see, my lord. Affidavit in reply, kindly see that. Kindly see the page 15(1), para 6. The assistant dependent beg to submit that the state of Assam has completed the scheme for appointment of compulsion upon as welfare, and same is to follow by all the government departments and public authorities under the state. The Assam State Electricity
The
Board,
problem is it's no longer there.
page 51, every evening.
Do you have any idea? The scheme is no longer there. It has been done away. Now. So do you have any idea? Much.
And kindly see, peruse, my lord, para 6, 7, 8. 8 of my.
Sir, I'm just informing you that this scheme which you sought to rely for compulsory appointment has been done away by the government now. It's no longer there.
I have to take information, my lord.
Huh?
Decision matter.
And you are relying on a judgment of 2010. We're in 2025. After 15 years, you are relying judgment.
I had petition in due time, my lord.
It's okay. But then it's suppose if we find that you are entitled. Other which at this point of time, which law, which policy we should direct you to consider?
Think about it. Of
It
that
is-
instruction,
It is instruction, my lord. It is, who is my name? Susan 14, my lord. It is.
we are in 2025. It has been done away in 2019 or 23, something like that.
My lord, my case is of 2018. I filed petition in due time.
Okay.
The
Heard
response
Miss- Okay, heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the respondents, is agreed to by the learned counsel party, let this matter be listed after 4 weeks. You find out all these things.
On which that please.
After 4 weeks.
Obligation.
You have enough time. Find out all these developments,
Obligation.
all these developments in between. Where you were all these years? 2018 to 2025.
My lord, this case is so pending, my lord, lingering, my lord. They have filed affidavit in, I also filed in, judgment, have given.
You were on,
mandatory judgment, my
you
lord.
were on,
Purushottam Das.
were you on long holiday? From 2018 to 2025?
No, let's say.
Or are you around the court?
Let's
Or some ashram? Anyway, we'll see. Find out all this. developments. Ah. 18. This is also 18. Yes.
Lordship, in this case, the pleadings are complete and the matter may fix for hearing, your Lordship.
What is the matter?
Matter is the petitioner was working as a head constable in CISF and he was removed from service due to disorderly conduct and then we challenged that, your Lordship. It may fix for hearing, your Lordship.
Not Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner and Mr. So-and-so admit the petition, admit this for hearing in usual course. Apply, your Lordship.
Item 60.
Petitioner, permanent pensionary benefit.
Lordship, in this case, the petitioner is not regularized, Lordship, and he has come for regularization. Necessary party, Lordship, finance department is necessary party, Lordship, he has not erred.
Yeah?
Finance department is necessary party here, Lordship.
Otherwise, my lord, this is second round of litigation.
Sir, you have submitted the matter is under consideration. Last occasion.
It can, we just send it to the finance department, Lordship, it is a decision. Decision has to be taken by the finance department, Lordship. So unless, Lordship, finance department is a party here, Lordship.
Who is the finance department?
He has not erred, Lordship, here.
Earlier occasion, my lord, there was.
You employed him.
Yes.
Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. Who phrased for him is granted 2 weeks time to file appropriate application.
All right, Lordship.
Item 61.
Lordship, this is regarding termination of some contractual employees in Brahmputra board. Lordship,
What is your right?
Lordship,
Contractual employment.
yes, Lordship.
Then what is your right?
Limited right because we cannot be replaced by another set of contractual employees.
That
That
is-
only.
That
is
has
the
been
limited-
replaced. You have been replaced.
Yes, Lordship.
How?
Because that
By-
time
by
you were
se-
terminated.
By selection process.
No,
Then
they have removed these employees and again they have, now they have, I mean, reinstated certain other employees in the Brahmputra board.
Yes.
As temporary one. So that is the limited. Lordship, she is asking for time today. So let the matter be in the next week.
this is appointment is by through the private contractors.
Yes.
No?
The very limited scope is there.
No?
So that is there. So let it be in the next week. This can be disposed of. Any date or on this Friday also.
Where are you now?
We are just, now we are not in employment.
Yes, where are you now?
Just
Where are you now? You must be employed, better employment
No,
now.
no, Lordship, they are just lingering there and they are
So
asking
what
for
is
the
your,
employment.
what
And
is
due to
your,
this read petition,
you are a
another,
master roll workers
yes,
under the board. When you were discharged?
Lordship,
When you were discharged?
discharged in the year 2018.
18.
Is the second round of litigation, so.
Very doubtful.
I know that there is no,
Almost.
almost.
Mr. So-and-so,
sufficient.
learn counsel for the petitioner.
In the next week, Lordship, or in the
Petitioner.
next Friday.
No, it cannot. When do you want?
Next week,
Next week, short sit.
anytime this may be disposed of because they have limited scope.
Then
Then not possible.
Before that also,
After 2 weeks, huh? On the prayer of
Then-
MS Esbro, learn counsel for the.
vacation, Lordship, this may be disposed of.
18th on
Let this
18th.
matter be listed after 2 weeks.
The date may be fixed, Lordship,
Why?
because
Why
I
you
want to
sh-
dispose it then.
Why?
Today
You
she
sh-
has
Why you
difficulties,
should fix the date for
then otherwise it will not come before vacation.
for dismissal?
That is clear.
Yes,
The petitioner, well, it is a matter of 2023, my lord.
yes.
He filed my lord petition.
The
on-
second time, listed for the second time.
Yes, my lord, this matter did not be, my lord, disposed of, my lord, in merit, my lord.
Ah,
It is a matter of 2023. He filed, my lord, for paying for mandamus for consideration of compassionate appointment, my lord. Subsequently, my lord, 2024, this compassionate scheme was already abolished, my lord.
yes.
Then he filed another writ petition, my lord,
Hmm.
and Honorable Michael Justice, my lord, Jatan Kamba, my lord, disposed of his writ petition for consideration on merit, my lord. Therefore, my lord, in view of this judgment, my lord, the order dated this matter may be closed, my lord. Thank you. Only by that matter, in view of this order, my lord, this matter is disposed of. Second page, my lord, her name is there, my lord.
Huh?
In the second page, lordship, kindly have a look. Second page, Shirin Sultana.
Huh?
In the meantime, my lord, during the pendency of this writ petition, my lord,
Hmm.
this entire compassionate, my lord, appointment scheme was abolished, my lord.
Ah,
Then she approached, my lord, this honorable court along with many other writ petition, my lord, and her writ petition, my lord, in the order I have furnished before your lordship.
So
Second
this-
page,
this- no,
Sub-
this is nothing to be considered now.
yes, my lord, already considered.
Subsequently, you have filed a writ petition,
Yes.
which has been disposed of.
Disposal. But in view of this order, my
Where
lord,
is your the subsequent writ petition?
my lord, page, in my order, the second page, my lord, it is a club together case, my lord. Second page, Shirin Sultana, her writ petition 4/8/2025, my lord.
4/8?
3/2025, Shirin Sultana Laskar, my lord. In this group case, my lord, her case was there, my lord.
Four eight? I'm not getting it.
My lord, I have furnished this order in the second page, lordship, kindly have a look.
This,
I have furnished just relevant portion, my lord. Second page, my lord, it is otherwise, it's Syrian's last name, my lord, last name.
last name?
Last name in the second page, last name, WPC number link case WPC 4/8/2025, Syrian Sultana Laskar, my lord.
Sultana Laskar,
Yes, my lord.
4/8. 4/8. 4/8/3.
4/8, yes, my lord, 2025, my lord.
Hmm.
It was filed, my lord, challenging the, my lord, this circular whereby
Yes, yes.
compulsory appointment
Or
was
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. This is an application seeking
appointment on compassionate ground. List of next para. Who died?
My lord,
Next para.
father, my lord.
The father of the petitioner, namely late Abdul Sattar Laskar, who was serving as head teacher of 657 number Sisu Kalyan LP School within bracket provincialized and in the district of Alakande, had died in harness on 10/08/2009, leaving behind the mother and leaving behind the petitioner and his mother. The petitioner was aged about 7 years at the time of the death of his father. On attaining the age of majority on 31/7/2023. After attaining the age,
Yes, my lord.
the petitioner applied for appointment on compensation ground. What is this policy under the
Compassion appointment.
under the policy of the state government for compulsory appointment? Number, date of the list, huh? Anyway, the petitioner expert. It is the specific case of the petitioner that the respondent authorities has not placed the case of the petitioner before the district level committee. Which was verbally informed, which was orally informed that the petitioner has submitted the application belatedly. List of next para. During the pendency, the state of Assam has, your name was recorded.
Yes, yes.
So, Lordship, I had a small submission, if your Lordship permits. Lordship, at page 20, the next of kin is there, page 20. So petitioner name is at serial number 4, your Lordship.
No, you are not doing
It is
it.
over.
It's almost over. Thereafter is file.
Yes,
You record his name also, huh? It's not during the pendency, the state of, during the pendency of this petition, it is stated at the bar that the, no, it is stated at the bar that during the, in the meantime, the policy of the state of Assam regulating the appointment of, with regard to, not regulating, with regard to appointment on compulsory ground has been done away. Next paragraph. Consequently, the petitioner filed subsequent writ petition, huh? What was your prayer there?
Sir, my lord, I challenge, my lord, this office memorandum which abolished the compassion appointment.
Challenging the notification
Dated 18/9.
abolishing the policy of appointment on compulsory ground being WPC 483 of 2025. Mr. Next, it is noticed that this court by an order dated 03/04/2025 has disposed of the said rate petition, as a WPC 483/2025, along with all other analogous rate petition, leading case being Dev Abdul Khadir Boxing, within bracket, WPC 342/2025. Said dispose of, dispose of so and so, na?
On merit, my lord, directed to consider the cases on merit, my lord.
This court on the consent of learned counsel for the parties. Done by office memorandum 1849/2000. With the following. Directed the petition, the respondents, which are as follows, huh? 9, 1, 2, and 10. 9. There are 9. Having considered the submissions, that is, and considering that the relevant, the subsequent writ petitions challenging the office memorandum 1809/2024, including the writ petition, the petitioner having been disposed of by this court with the above direction, I'm of the considered view that the matter has practically become infructuous, and there's no issue is left to be decided. This stuff accordingly. Writ petition states closed and disposed of.
Item 63.
This matter, kindly grant us some time to file our reply, Lordship.
On the prayer, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petition.
We have filed our affidavit, we are praying for the response number. Affidavit is not connected, my lord.
Week's time is granted to file affidavit in reply.
I also filed the affidavit and they have response number 6, Lordship.
That's why I granted. Record their name, are present, huh?
Item 64 and 65.
Lordship, my lord, in this case, we had to file affidavit. and
Reply.
Today we have filed, my lord.
Reply.
Yes, affidavit reply, we have filed today.
Mr. M.U. Mohammed, learned counsel for the petitioner. Petitioners submits that. This will be common order. Common order.
No, common order.
Separate order.
But similar case.
Well, just in that case,
It is
a separate
applicable.
order, huh? Submits that he has filed the affidavit in reply
Yeah, affidavit reply in both
Today.
cases.
today. He has filed the affidavit in reply
Official listening.
today. Please, however, no, however, same is not tagged with the record. Just registry to verify. Just if the affidavit is filed, the reply is filed to placed along with the order. Be placed in the record. Separate order. Mr.
G Pegu.
G. Pegu and
Sorry, I don't know.
are present.
My lord, my lord, not Mohammed, Mahmood.
Mahmood. Huh?
Yes. No, Mahmood. M-A-H-M-U-D.
What I said?
Mohammed.
Mohammed. No, I said Mahmood. Mahmood.
In call this, it is correctly written.
No, this is Mahmood or Mahmood?
Mahmood, M-A-H-M-U-D.
Mahmood. Not Mahmood.
Not, nor Mohammed.
I didn't say Mohammed. I said say Mahmood.
Yes. Your lordship.
Mahmood.
Mohammed.
No. 3 weeks.
Item 56. Wait, please.
Yes.
In this case, Lordship, whether department proceeding or criminal proceeding may be goes simultaneously or not. Criminal proceeding or departmental proceeding can be go simultaneously or not. This is this issue. In this regard, Lordship, several petitions are pending. I am today paying this case maybe take week together, Lordship. That will be true. And similarly, I am paying, Lordship.
Whether the department proceedings
Yes.
and the criminal proceeding can simultaneously
Go.
go.
In my criminal
can.
proceeding cannot, Lordship. And in this regard, Lordship, this court has passed various judgment, Lordship, in giving interim relief.
Anyway, I heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the respondents. As prayed for, list this matter along with
Lordship, the affidavit has been already filed. Affidavit is complete, Lordship.
list.
It is complete.
As
Therefore,
agreed to
consider
by
interim
learned
order.
counsel for the parties, list this matter along with
WPC number 5230/24.
5230 of 2024.
There is an interim order, Lordship, in this.
Where?
All the cases earlier.
Here?
Earlier case.
In my cases, Lordship, interim is considered today, Lordship. There is a written verdict by the judgment, Lordship.
Huh?
Lordship, kindly see my case 24/11/2021. Today is for consideration of interim order, Lordship. Last pair, Lordship. Pair number 7. In the meantime, the employer shall file their affidavit. The interim pair petitioner shall be considered on the next date. So today, Lordship, if all the interim order is operating in all other cases, Lordship, I have given the judgment, Lordship, as per the Supreme Court judgment.
Huh?
As per the Supreme Court judgment, Lordship, MS Tenza Tystas to India Private Limited versus Gill versus Ada 2014 TSCC.
Interim order may be considered in the next date, Lordship, as the
Will be here, Lordship.
hearing is complete, the hearing is not done, Lordship.
No, it was,
There is another order, Lordship, in 30/10/2024. I have given it. Yes. That is.
no, we'll have to consider all the facts of this case.
On the next day.
The interim order shall be considered on the next day as spread in view of the prayer made by Mr.
H. Chakraborty,
H. Chakraborty,
Junior Government Advocate.
Learned counsel, learned state counsel for the rest. I will consider next day.
Lordship.
This is, it's not a complete interim order.
Lordship.
Lordship.
Subject to consideration
Lordship.
next. Thereafter, there is no consideration. All right.
Yes, no.
Depends on facts to facts.
Obliged.
3 weeks. No, well, interim consideration after 3 weeks. You continue this 67, 68. Orders nahi. Hearing.
Orders item 67.
Go back again. Any? Yes.
Item 67.
Non appears for the petition on call. Next para. Office note dated 28/11/25 indicates that notice could not be dispatched due to deficit of postal stamps. Mr. The land council for the petitioner to submit the record postal stamps. List after 3 weeks.
May I please your lordships?
Yes.
As per Lazima Court's order dated 28/11/2025, service upon the respondent number 9 is complete, lordship.
And
Now,
Mr.
please
So and so, so and so. Service in respect of this respondent number 9 is complete, huh? Service is complete.
Yes, lordship. May I
Then affidavit,
Oh, lordship. May I pray that matter may be listed for admission?
list the matter for admission. After 3 weeks, in the meantime, the respondents may file their affidavit.
Lordship, may I fix a date, lordship?
After 3 weeks,
Lordship.
we'll see.
Because this orders item 53.
May it please your lordships.
Yes.
Service is completed, lordships, so let the matter be listed for admission after 2 weeks.
And MSK Devi,
Yes,
land
madam.
counsel for the petitioner.
P. Sharma for respondent number 6.
And Mr. So and so, huh?
AG and council. Respondent number
7.
7.
I would say, Mrs. K. Devi, land counsel for the petitioner, and Mr.
B.
So and so are present. Service is complete. List for admission for 3 weeks.
Applies.
54.
Yes.
Lordship, may kindly peruse the last judicial order, Lordship.
Huh?
Dated- Lordship, may kindly peruse the last judicial order, Lordship, dated 29/10/2025. Lordship, hearing the standing counsel of
Compare
the
the
department
digits.
concerned,
Yes.
no one is appearing to the.
Who is
Lordship.
Gogoi? D. Gogoi. D. Gogoi, D.
D. Gogoi, standing counsel, Forest Department.
Can you inform? D. Gogoi. Let us see. You
No,
may have
board lord.
mistakes.
56.
Yes.
Lordship, there is a inadvertent mistake in the cost title, Lordship. We would not take the steps for respondent number 6, Lordship. The pin code is wrong, Lordship. I may be allowed to, Lordship, correct the cost title through registry and then take step for respondent number 6, Lordship.
On the
Amen,
prayer of Mr. So and so, land counsel for the petitioner, let this matter be listed after 2 weeks
2 weeks, Lordship.
for necessary steps.
7.
I please you, Lord.
Yes.
My lord, on the last occasion, instruction was sought for.
Lordship, I'm appearing for respondent 4, 5, 6, and 7, Lordship. We need 4 weeks time to file our affidavit, Lordship.
Heard Mr. So and so, land counsel for the petitioners. Petitioner. on the prayer of MS,
P. Sharma, Lordship.
P. Sharma, Learned Council for the APSC
APSC, Lordship.
for the 3 weeks time is granted to file, 4 weeks
4 weeks.
time is granted to file affidavit in
Much
office.
of-
Is it any other matter? Any other matter? Let me pray. Yes, he's around.
He is not there, Lordship, but other standing counsel is there, I've informed him, Lordship.
So he has the instruction.
No, Lordship,
He's coming or not?
Lordship, I've informed him, Lordship.
I have seen his junior otherwise in the court today, Lordship, Mr. I. Bhattakur. On the last occasion, he already said that it steps that was
Yes.
taken and it was the matter was to be listed after 1 week and today it is after 1 month.
Hmm.
And Lordship, actually the petitioner is is seeking for the relief concerned since the year 2012.
Hmm.
With
Relief
urgent-
fund.
Urgent Lordship.
What relief fund?
Seeking relief, Lordship, pensions,
Okay.
salary benefits. Order is of 2024, March 2020.
Okay, next week we'll see. Next week we'll see.
In that case, Lordship may fix a date, Lordship, otherwise it was
And Friday, in that case.
Friday, next Friday.
Hard
Yes, I
MS, I does learn counsel for the petitioner. Although on the prayer of Mr. D. Gogoi, learned state counsel representing the respondents. A week's time was granted on 29/10/2025 to obtain instruction. In the submissions that steps have been taken to comply with the direction of this court. And and to apprise the court on the status, none appears, he's not present today, Mr. Considering the issue at hand, no. Next, in view of the above submissions made by Mr. Gogoi, learned counsel, let this matter be listed on Friday, 507. So in order to provide, by providing him another opportunity to place the instruction as for his submissions.
It will be obliged.